Hi, my name is Owusu. I live in this beautiful estate. It's supposed serene, beautiful, and conducive enclave. But hey, all that glitters is not gold. My mother, busy corporate woman, has very little time for me. Worse still, she's always on the side of her domestic stuff against my liking. Chef Adewualor, a very odd character who is always getting on my nerves. He never prepares any food of my choice. Uncle Kosi, our family janitor, also doubles up as our houseboy. He's a lukewarm character. You may agree or disagree with me if you come along with me on this journey.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye. There is no high or
Lord Jesus, I thank you for a new day. I thank you for the gift of life. I commit this food to your hands. Sanctify it in Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Adewualor.
Yes. Do you need water?
Adewualor, whatever you call yourself, what is this?
It's food. This is a plantain palava sauce.
And is this for breakfast?
Yes, this is one of the best food that if you take it in now, can give you sharp memory for you to top your class. Very delicious.
God, have mercy. Where did you train as a chef? Where are your qualifications and how did you end up in this house?
I was trained from one of the best schools at Volta region, and I'm the best choice for your mom.
And you were taught to feed a little kid like me with this breakfast?
Yes.
You know what? I have an exam today to write and I don't want to have a bad day, so just pack these things away and get lost. I said pack them away.
When a mama for baton would have had more pontical fiade. How for do? Manyaka Diokwe, or the Vibuja, Kran and your yoga grandfather because of situation. Tana no pona, one I can go park distance and live here.
Yeah.
Baby, what is it? Are you done with breakfast?
Did you tell that stuff of a man to prepare that breakfast for me?
What did he do? He's supposed to prepare breakfast for you.
And is that breakfast plantain with that smelling green stew?
What? Is that what he made for you?
Yes.
But baby, that's a good food.
My chef and I.
Oh, the baby is not get a lap on no one.
Come on, Nenefo.
Good morning.
So what did you make for Cindy this morning?
Oh, madam. This morning I prepare plantain and a palava sauce for her. Very nice, delicious food. Then this Cindy small girl, you refuse to eat the food for me.
I support you in giving her more of our local delicacies than the foreign ones. Okay, but please consider the timing. The timing is not right, you know. And please make good use of the menu list.
All right, okay. But madam is very sweet. Oh, don't worry, you have a seat. Let me serve you some so that you feel the vibration.
No, I'm late. And consider the way she's so upset with me. I don't think I can eat anything. All right, so I'll see you in the evening. I hope you know what we are preparing for dinner.
Oh, yes. I know papla sakla kulabu.
It's a paparansa and crab.
Oh, okay.
So I'll see you.
Okay. Have a good day, madam. Tell Cindy not to be upset with me, okay? Thank God. This is the day that I feel enjoy my own food that I prepare. I pray to God that you, this small little there, you will continue to reject food as I say now. I'll have a strategy for you now. I know what to do. As I'm okay now, I can't throw it away. I have one dog at the gate, a Jakaya mobile. So let me just do some good today for him. Oh, more. I can't give this more right son.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye. There's no hi or goodbye. My chef and I, 'cause under the same shelter.
Kwanse.
Yes, madam.
Please make sure you clean my bedroom.
Oh, sure, I'll do that.
Very well.
Sure, madam.
And then also, I have packed some dirty clothes in the laundry basket. Please attend to them.
For another battle, 'cause if you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. I do you. I do you. My chef and I.
Portia. Portia.
Yes, Efo.
Come.
Okay. Bye for I'm busy.
I have something for you. Follow me.
Okay. Efo. My only chef.
I always tell you to take things easy, Cindy. Plantain and palava sauce is a very nutritious meal. It's way better than those French fries and the burgers you've been eating.
Mommy, are you telling me I should have eaten that heavy food early this morning? Why do you want me to doze off in class?
Well, you have a point there. But you could have told him to pack them for you so that you take it to school while he prepared you some tea.
He doesn't know what food is meant for breakfast.
I did not say that. You just have to take it easy on him.
Efo. My only chef.
How you feel the aroma?
Oh.
You see him?
Yeah. Efo. My only chef. Efo, this is indeed delicious. The aroma alone has satisfied me.
Imagine this is what I prepare for Cindy. She refused to eat the food. And my strategy has really worked for me. Papa.
Efo, so you won't talk me say you prepared this palava sauce and plantain for Cindy this morning?
Yes.
Abba. Efo, tell me why this girl no make happy this morning. This food is too heavy for her as breakfast.
What do you know about heavy food? You don't you know it's a strategy whereby this food to prepare heavy food for myself. I mean for the two of us. If I have not played this strategy, do you get this to eat? Okay, it's alright, it's too heavy, build. It's too heavy.
Oh, but I don't say anything wrong.
As you are enjoying it, are you not feeling it? Take. What do you know about heavy food? Look at the job you are doing in this house. Do you think this your job is good? This tea and the bread will favor you? Before you know, you will get ulcer. You think this is a strategy for me to get something heavy food to eat this morning? I mean the two of us to eat. And you are here saying rubbish.
A fool.
How you be here to prepare food for these guys you won't eat and you are here telling me this food is what? Next time don't tamper with my strategy.
Yes, boss. My only chef. Yes, sir.
Hurry up and leave. I'm coming to prepare different.
Okay, boss.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye. There's no hi or goodbye. My chef and I, 'cause under the same shelter, we've been running helter skelter. If I'm the winner, you are the loser. Better step up your game for another day. Today I am the winner, and you are the loser. Better step up your game for another battle. 'Cause if you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. I do you. I do you. My chef and I.
You need something.
Why do you always eat half of the food you prepare in this house?
That is not true. What we are saying is not true. As a chef, I have to taste it and see whether it's good before I serve people.
What you are doing isn't just tasting. You are stealing.
Do you know what you are saying is defamation of character? Huh?
Let me ask you a question. Did you have any working experience before coming to this house?
A lot.
Okay, let me hear you.
When were you born? Me, you know, I prepare food for former president. Talk with Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. I prepare food for the later president, former president, Atamosi. I prepare food for Mr. Atta. Even Togo, I prepare food for him. What are you talking about? You think I'm a small person?
No wonder, Efo. No wonder. I guess your bad cooking practice send those old men to their early graves. And make sure you don't poison my food with your saliva. I don't want to get coronavirus.
The via will go one day, Rokumokoga Dami Mokochio, Komoto, that when you fought you, it's not your fault. I blame my parents. I blame them. If I were to hold my degree, HPM, or a degree, a great HIP, or whatever I have in my hand, you will not stand here and talk to me by heart anyhow. Just spoil my day for nothing.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye.
Hey, Sir David.
Yes, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
I'll call her for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Under the same shelter, we've been running helter skelter. If I'm the winner, you are the loser. Better step up your game for another day. Today I am the winner, and you are the loser. Better step
Sweetie, your teacher is in. So go downstairs and see him, okay?
Okay.
And tell Efo to serve him with some drinks, all right? I'll be in my bedroom. Hurry up and go and see him.
My chef and I. In here I'm the master. I give the order. No bag of wire. You're not my mother. You're not my father. I have the power. And I, my chef and I. We love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye. Chef and I, my chef and I. We love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye.
Hey, Sir David.
Yes, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
I'll call her for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Under the same shelter, we've been running helter skelter. If I'm the winner, you are the loser. Better step up your game for another day. Today I am the winner, and you are the loser. Better step up your game for another battle. Cause if you do me, I do you. Nobody go back.
Sweetie, your teacher is in. So go downstairs and see him, okay?
Okay.
And tell Efo to serve him with some drinks, all right? I'll be in my bedroom. Hurry up and go and see him.
My chef and I. In here I'm the master. I give the order. No bag of wire. You're not my mother. You're not my father. I have the power to say whatever. You a little spoiled child. You don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer. You a little spoiled child. You don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you.
Adewualor, please, my teacher is in. Kindly get me some drink.
Okay, I'll be there soon. I'm going to get a blogger if you have here.
Please, good evening.
Good evening, Cindy. How are you?
I'm fine.
Right. Come and have a seat and let's go. Sit down. Chef.
Yes, sir. Welcome.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you. Thank you.
Place this one, put this one.
Okay. All right.
You like it, eh? Very delicious.
It's palm wine.
Yes, this one from my village, fresh. Very fresh.
I'm sorry, I can't take it now. Yes.
Oh, is that so? But this thing is nice.
So, Adewualor, you sent my teacher with palm wine. What else is come to teach me?
Yes, but even this one is not that straight palm wine that can make someone go drunk drastically like that. This one is slow but sure. When he take this one here right now, he will go home before he see himself in awkward predicament.
Take it back. So I'm really sorry. Let me go and get you some.
That's all right, Cindy. That's all right. Don't worry. The most important thing is to study.
Chef and I, my chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye. There's no hi or goodbye. My chef and I.
Silly chow, 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 chow. Chow, chow, chow.
Kosi, please. Can I have the phone number of your chef?
You mean Efo?
Yes, Chef Efo.
But is there any special reason?
Oh, no, there's nothing. I just need his number.
Boss, are you sure?
Oh, yes. No problem, Kusi.
Say Davy.
Oh, Kusi.
0543.
Okay. 0543.
05
78
92. Yes.
Wow. Thank you very much, bro.
You're welcome.
So thank you. I'll see you tomorrow, probably.
Okay. Good night. Take care.
All right.
Baby, is your teacher gone?
Yeah.
All right.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, my love.
Who recommended the Fugazo to you?
A friend.
And did you check his resume before employing him?
Well, it didn't occur to me to ask that. But I did taste his food before employing him, and it was nice.
Okay. Please, Mommy.
Yes, my love.
Next time, don't only taste his food, test his mind as well.
What has he done this time around?
Could you believe he served my teacher palm wine?
Are you serious?
Will I lie to you?
I'll know what to do, my dear. Take it easy, okay?
You better act fast too, before he poisons all of us one day.
It wouldn't come to that. Okay. Have you had your dinner?
Yet too.
Okay, please go and have your supper and take your shower too.
Okay.
All right.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye, there is no high or goodbye. My chef and I is under the same shelter, we've been running helter-skelter. If I'm the winner, you are the loser. Better step up your game for another day. Today I am the winner and you are the loser. Better step up your game for another battle. Cause if you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat, nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat, nobody go back.
Hi. You're doing a good job. Well done.
Thank you, madam.
Efo has been feeding you when I'm not around.
Oh, as for that one, he doesn't feel at all, madam.
That's fine. You're doing a good job. Please help me inside when you're done from here.
Okay, madam.
Here I'm the master, I give the order. No bag of wire, you're not my mother. You're not my
Kole
father.
kono moja. Kaji gagaja. Kole kono ye moja. Kaji gagaja. Kole kono moja.
Efo. Chef stroke rapper. Efo.
Kole kono moja. Kaji gagaja. Moja. Kaji gagaja. AHOHYERÄ.
Efo. You know, say you be good chef, wow.
You don't know. It is a somebody for 25 years in chef, you think it's an easy thing. That is why they say experience is the best teacher.
Efo. That's right. That why be like say if I dey eat your food, the feeling be different from diving own. See, make I talk you something. Me, I go make money very soon. Where you go be the chef for my house.
You see, look, everybody can brag. You know, say everybody can brag. But if you want to brag according to what you are wearing. So who tell you I'll be chef forever in this life for you to come and make money and employ me to be chef for you?
Oh, Efo, relax. Efo, that why they talk you say me, cause say I go make money very soon. Simple cra.
Even as you are saying that you will employ me to make money, as the last time I checked your salary in this compound, It's not even up to 400 Ghana. So what are you telling me? I can never have grown out here.
Four. Make I talk you. God's time is the best.
Oh, but on top run a drink you make.
Oh. Careful. There is something I want to tell you.
Huh?
You know, see, the last time we Cindy and teacher they left, no? He take your number from me.
He took my number from you. For what?
Mr. Krabis, I mean, no talk me anything.
Hey! This one, I can't people say, Nipa or woman being is more than chameleon.
So me woman,
are you different from ordinary human beings? Human being is hypocrisy, number one. You, this man that you came here, I serve you with my own palm wine from my hometown, original palm wine, undiluted. Not the only Accra, it's not Accra palm wine, correct one from my village. I serve you this palm wine, you taste it, the you spit it out because of small girl.
You mean Cindy?
And now you come to take my number for what?
Efo, but this is not right. How you go fit give Cindy and teacher alcohol whilst they come teach Cindy? You hear some before?
I give teacher alcohol as they can't teach it, so now you take my number for what? You no want to take it here, so now you are ready to take it. For what?
Efo. You know, say this one are old people there. At leisure time, you go take them. You know how we meet them, they do first, no. They thought we take one pack, then we take that plain one. That will be no pack, then we take one. So I should say in leisure time we go take passings in liquid. I say liquid. A lung system. You they get me?
Efo, Cindy told me something last night.
Cindy.
I mean, how are you able to smuggle palm wine into my house?
Yes, madam, that my palm wine is not even a palm wine that can make person drunk drastically like that. It was one of my village members that brought it to me from the village.
No, this is not done. It's not possible. I really don't want to see this repeated again. Please, I beg you. I don't want this happening again.
All right. It won't happen again. Forgive me.
Good.
All right. Thank you, madam.
You're welcome.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye. There's no hi or goodbye. My chef and I, 'cause under the same shelter, we've been running helter skelter. If I'm the winner, you are the loser. Better step up your game for another.
Ever, please come.
Is there any problem?
Ever, have you heard of COVID-19?
Yes.
Good. Do you know home remedies for fighting it?
No.
Wow. As an experienced chef you claim to be, you don't know home remedies to fight simple catarrh?
No. Teach me.
Do you share your salary with me? I'm asking you a question. Do you share your salary with me? Alright then. Our doctor suggests that ginger, garlic, and other spices can boost our immune system. Shall we see this? Every morning and evening, I want to see that it's filled with ginger tea. Has it entered? If I said, has it entered?
Yes.
You can go.
We love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye. There's no hi or goodbye. My chef and I, 'cause under the same shelter, we've been running helter skelter. If I'm the winner, you are the loser. Better step up your game for another another day. Today I am the winner.
Thank you.
Kusi,
How is your fool? I've been trying to call him. He's not picking my phone.
Hey, David, a food did big trouble inside. Oh. Big trouble, pa.
Why? What happened?
You call Sam.
Me?
It be you.
What did I do wrong?
You see the last time we give you some palm wine.
Yeah.
Yes. Like if you know you take the palm wine like that. But the Cindy go see the palm wine, we report give you mommy. But this food the big time trouble inside, big time trouble.
But wait, that palm wine. You see, I couldn't have taken it in front of my students. It is wrong. It's against our teaching ethics to take alcohol while teaching.
But say David, the way the thing go do there, I'm not sure say folk will talk to you. I'm not sure because it gets like a ball where you betray him already. So at this day, I'm not sure say he will love talk to you.
Let's see. Let me see what I can do. Okay, let me check on him and see if I can talk to him. Maybe I can find some reason to let him understand certain things.
Oh, okay. You being a teacher, they are sure say you are going to be big.
Oh, of course.
Sir.
Yes, my brother.
Someone said
Let me see.
sure.
Next.
My chef and I.
For you do all.
Oh, stop saying that. Don't you feel like I look like Motley man?
But the TV nice.
Oh, stop. If I wear this, which one would the doctors wear? I'm going to buy common tomatoes and dressing like someone who is going to machine. Small girl in the house, making woman behave like he's going mad. How? How do I dress like this?
You do all. No, the TV fit.
Mommy, you threw away the PPUs I gave you.
Look, take the foodstuffs from him and put him under self-quarantine in one of the rooms.
Okay, madam.
Go take distance yourself.
Okay, Cindy.
So today you are scared of me.
Give me the
You are scared of me. Okay, I see who you are now. What is the meaning of this? Now you want to cage me like a dog. You want to cage me like a dog. All our grown people are in this house. Now you are behaving like a grown. Now you are controlling everybody. Okay. I go to market to buy tomatoes, salad, take off gloves, take all this. They say I can't go. I'm not comfortable. I become at the market like somebody who is going to mortuary.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see art.
What do you want from me? You are an epitome of hypocrisy. By your actions, my madam question me rough, talk to me anyhow. And you are here, what do you want?
I'm really sorry, sir. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience caused. You know, as I tasted your palm wine, it's one of the best. But I couldn't have taken it whilst I was teaching the young kid. That is why I collected your number from Kosi, so I could be able to talk to you.
That is wrong. That lukewarm attitude. In public, you don't want it. In secret, you practice it.
That's why I'm saying I am sorry, sir. I really apologize for the harm. However, I brought my container. Please, if I can have some in this.
You deserve a typical original slap from me now.
Oh.
Fium. After all, you made my madam disrespect me, talk to me any rough. You are here to demand my pan wine again. Come on, Buddha Bonnie, if you are clear off, let me see you.
We don't see eye to eye. There's no hi or goodbye. My chef and I, 'cause under the same shelter, we've been running helter skelter. If I'm the winner, you are the loser. Better step up your game for another day. Today I am the winner.
Gazo, where are you going?
I'm going to the market.
Why your PPs?
For what? I'm just going to the market and come.
Why Gazo? Why? It is scary out there. You are going to board the public transport. I beg, take me safe.
Why? Why do you want me to dress like I'm going for civilian war? You want me to put on this thing to be walking there? Why am I going to mortuary? Or I'm going to operation room? Forget, keep it, I'll go and come.
Please, you are going to mingle with other people. And coronavirus is no respect of persons. Please wear this.
Efo, what's in the talk? She be right, why? If you listen to him, you go bring virus for the household.
Oh, let her keep it, I'm going to come.
Eh.
Then you are not returning to this house again.
You're a little spoiled child. You don't know your culture. Respect your elder.
Hey, Cindy, I don't know what you were telling her for. You were right.
Later.
If you do me, I do you. Nobody go best. Tit for tat. Nobody go best. If you do me, I do you. Today I am the winner, and you are the loser. Better step up your game for another battle. Cause if you do
you do all.
Oh, stop saying that. Don't you feel like I look like Motley man?
But that will be nice.
Oh, stop. If I wear this, which one would the doctors wear? I'm going to buy common tomatoes. I'm dressing like someone who is going to Motley. Small girl in the house, making woman behave like he's going mad. How? How do I dress like this?
You do all. No, that's it. 50.
In here, I'm the master. I give the order. No bagger wire. You're not my mother. You're not my father. I have the power to say whatever. You a little spoiled child. You don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer. You a little spoiled child. You don't know your culture.
Your auntie called.
Which of them?
Auntie Joan.
Okay, how is she?
She's fine. She says she wants to come and spend some days with us.
Why? Isn't she happy at the place?
She is. But she says there's something she has to discuss with me.
Only if your expenditure for the month can cover her.
It will. We will manage. Besides, she's not coming to stay for too long.
I hope she checks up before coming to this household. I'm afraid of this coronavirus.
Oh, Cindy, how can you talk like that? She's your auntie, for Christ's sake.
Mommy, COVID-19 is no respect of person. It can catch anyone.
I'm sure she knows all that. And don't forget your auntie is an educated woman.
Yes, Mom. Please tell her to follow the safety rules when she's coming.
Yes, madam.
I hope this pandemic gets over soon so that we can go out and have fun like before.
I know, right? So let's all keep praying, okay? All right, yeah.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye. There's no hard goodbye. My chef and I, 'cause under the same shelter,
What?
we've been running helter skelter.
You are supposed to have your PPs on.
That thing at the marketplace, I am not comfortable. If I want to touch people, things they don't want it. The market people will complain, so I throw it away.
Let me tell you, you can't put our lives at risk here. You must be tested right away or put into an isolation for 14 days.
Cindy, look, this is Ghana. This is Africa. Como Kata can never come and scare we here. When we are here when swine flu came, nothing happened. Ebola came, nothing happened. Not this one that came and say coronavirus too.
But what Cindy talk, she be right. If you listen to Cindy.
My big girl, you will look, but Kote.
Mommy!
Hey, you are tempting me.
Cindy, you called me. Oh, Efo, you are in. Please hurry up and let's go to the kitchen and prepare the food. I'm starving.
Madam, I came home. Cindy said she won't allow me to come inside because I have coronavirus.
Have you washed your hands with soap under running water?
No, madam.
And where is your hand sanitizer?
I don't have one.
What do you mean you don't have one?
Mommy, he threw away the PPEs I gave you.
Look, take the foodstuffs from him. and put him under self-quarantine in one of the rooms.
Okay, madam.
Kose, distance yourself.
Okay, Cindy.
So Kose, today you are scared of me.
Give me the thing.
You are scared of me. Okay, I see who you are now. What is the meaning of this? Now you want to cage me like a dog. You want to cage me like a dog. All our grown people are in this house. Now you are behaving like a grown. Now you are controlling everybody. Nkejo. I go to market to buy tomatoes. Tomatoes sell I say take off gloves, take all this. They say I can't go. I'm not comfortable. I become at the market like somebody who is going to mortuary.
Okay, Cindy.
So you Kose, you are scared of me. You are scared of me.
I said move.
Okay. Come and take lead. Move. You are scared of me. Come and take lead.
I said move.
Today I am the winner, and you are the loser. Better step up your game for another battle. Cause if you do
Mommy, I'm hungry. What's for dinner?
tit for tat, nobody go back. If you do me, I do you.
Baby, sorry, love. As you can see, I'm very busy. I'm having a meeting with my business partners. Can you please go to the kitchen and fix something for yourself? Okay?
In here, I'm the master. I give the order. No bugger wire. You're not my mother. You're not my father. I have the power to say whatever. You a little spoiled child. You don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer. You a little spoiled child. You don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat.
Yes, madam.
If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you.
Uncle Kose, I really need to talk to you.
Devia, I'm not Cindy, I hope you not tell your mom I left the gate. Oh.
No.
That's good. But Cindy, what can I do for you?
I'm sorry sometimes I really get harsh on people, but at the same time I can be a really good friend.
Cindy.
What's your word? Apart from cleaning and manning the gate, what else can you do?
Oh, Cindy, you know me since. I can do everything. Anything you want me to do in this, I can do it for you.
Including cooking?
Cooking. Oh, I be cooking there's cocoa for me. Cooking is very cocoa. See, I can cook any continental dishes. Any continental dish, including akplan, jankplan, wokplan, koklijobo. Why are you scared? Let me tell you, I'm the one who even teaches Efo how to cook. But please, don't tell him about this, okay?
I knew it!
Now you know it. Efo can do anything. See, the secret of my cook is in this, my fingertips. So tell me anything and I'll cook for you.
Since Efo is under self-quarantine, I'll tell mommy to sack him and employ you as the new cook. Awa, you're not happy?
Oh, Cindy, I'm happy. I'm happy. That's a good news, of course. I'm happy.
Then, your first test, get to the kitchen and prepare me some jollof rice.
Okay, I'm coming.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye, there's no hi or goodbye. My chef and I, 'cause under the same shelter, we've been running helter skelter. If I'm the winner, you are the loser. Better step up your game for another day. Today I am the winner, and you are the loser. Better step up your game for another battle. 'Cause if you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat, nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat, nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. I do you. My chef and I.
Surprise!
Really?
I asked Uncle Kose to prepare it for us.
Oh my goodness. I'd like to taste it.
Don't see eye to eye. There's no hi or goodbye.
What is this? Is this supposed to be jollof or plain rice?
I don't know.
Okay.
Better step up your game for another day.
What is this? Is this? I'm gone. Okay. What will clean up in this house? I'm good. How can Jose prepare this poisonous food for us to eat?
I'll teach him a lesson.
My chef and I, we love to fight it. My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye. There's no hi or goodbye.
Where are you going to?
My chef and
He's sacking himself in this
I,
house.
under the same shelter.
Yes, madam. After cooking that poisonous food, I have to fire myself before you sack me, madam. Madam, stop laughing. I'm being serious here. It's my uniform. And I've even sat down to write a letter for you.
Look, I hired you as a gate man and a cleaner, not a chef.
Mom,
My friend, go back to your post.
Madam, so you are not sacking me.
Go to your post.
Madam, I'm not sure, baby. God bless you. It's okay. Madam, thank you. I'm sure, baby. I'm sure, baby.
Mommy, I don't like the way you side with people in this house.
My dear, you need to know that the way things happen in abroad is different from Ghana here.
But Mommy,
Please, end of discussion.
We don't see eye to eye. There's no hi or goodbye. My chef and I, 'cause under the same shelter.
why, Koso, why? Why did you lie to me?
Oh, Cindy, I was just trying to please you.
You know you deceived me. And that can cost your job.
Cindy, I know I've messed up big time. Forgive me, I'm sorry, okay?
I'll accept your apologies on one condition.
Cindy, what is it?
Help me trap Efogazol.
Efogazol. Cindy, I agree.
Then you have yourself a deal.
Deal.
Leg of my hand.
I'll call you same. Deal. Let's go off my hand. Efogazol, good trap up.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night.
Sir David, we have a situation on our hands that I will need your advice on.
Okay, madam, tell me, what's it?
So people went to the market without any precautionary measures.
In this COVID-19 situation?
Can you imagine? So when he returned, Cindy suggested we put him under self-quarantine, which I agreed.
I think Cindy is right. Cindy is really right, you know. But it shouldn't end there. If you continue to remain in this house, there's that kind of fear and panic and doubt among you.
That is it.
Which wouldn't be too well. So please, I suggest you should take him to Noguchi for testing.
Next.
My chef and I.
Hello. Good evening.
Therefore, Sir David has made a very good suggestion. We are taking you to Noguchi for COVID-19 test. So please cooperate with us.
Madam, I don't have problem. Anything you want to do, I'm okay.
You'll be fine, okay? You'll be fine.
Well, in that case, get yourself ready. We are waiting for you downstairs.
Sir David, do you drink alcohol?
Cindy, you know what? I don't drink to stupor. I'm not a drunk. But once in a while, maybe when I want to sleep, I want to perhaps reduce stress or something, I will take in just a little. But then, like I said, alcohol is not meant for kids like you, so there's no need to talk about it. I suggest we go back to our lesson for the day.
But you are the same person, you are the only person in this compound. Before this pan wine come from outside through this, it passed through you. Before it go, it passed through you. And you are telling me you don't know anything about this. Say the truth.
Efo, please, go and look for a missing palm wine.
Tonight, we love to fight day and night.
Sir David, we have a situation on our hands that I will need your advice on.
Okay, madam, tell me, what's it?
Sir Fefo went to the market without any precautionary measures.
In this COVID-19 situation?
Can you imagine? So when he returned, Cindy suggested we put him under self-quarantine, which I agreed.
I think Cindy is right. Cindy is really right, but it shouldn't end there. If you continue to remain in this house, there's that kind of fear and panic and doubt among you.
That is it.
Which wouldn't be too well. So please, I suggest you should take him to Noguchi for testing.
Wow.
Yes.
I think you have a good point there. In that case, can you help me talk to him?
Okay, but where is he now?
He's being quarantined in one of the rooms upstairs.
Okay, let's go and see him.
You know my father, I have the power to say whatever. You little spoiled child, you don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer.
Hello. Good evening.
Evening.
Therefore,
And then,
Sir David has made a very good suggestion. We are taking you to Noguchi for COVID-19 test. So please cooperate with us.
Madam, I don't have problem. Anything you want to do, maybe I'm okay.
You'll be fine, okay? You'll be fine.
Well, in that case, get yourself ready. We are waiting for you downstairs. Okay?
Okay. You'll be fine, okay? You'll be fine. You'll be fine.
You book and cage me here like I'm a dog. Like I'm a dog. Look at how you cage me here. Even dogs even have their liberty now. So you take me to check up. Small girl in the house, controlling everybody, setting rules and regulations. Even Kwame Nkrumah did not set rules like that.
Cindy, there is something you should know.
What is it?
It's about Sir David.
What about him?
The last time he was going, he took Efo number from me. And my investigation proves that he wants palm wine from Efo.
Really?
Yes. Cindy, you must be very careful. A drunk can't teach a child.
That's interesting. So does it mean Efo has palm wine hidden in this house?
Palm wine. Long. The palm wine is in a red top with a white gallon. Yes.
Thanks for the info, eh?
Okay, Cindy. Now, Cindy, is there any drink for pieces?
Later. It seems that you are bleeding.
Oh, this one is the blood of God, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Yabuja mashallah. When you go to me bad at on your woman, wiki. Lady, a Pascal, share for me so. Anyway.
Respect your elder, so you may live longer. You a little spoiled child, you don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat, nobody go back. If you do me, I do you.
Madam, please take care and make sure you practice social distance.
Yes, I will. But you take care of the house. And please, do not enter my kitchen to cook anything.
Madam, I won't even dare.
Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. I do you. My shepherd, I. My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. No hi or goodbye. My chef and I, 'cause under the same shelter, we've been running helter skelter. If I'm the winner, you are the loser. Better step up your game for another day. Today I am the winner, and you are the loser. Better step up your game for another.
I must commend Efo for the boldness and cooperation. You have really done well, Efo.
That's very true.
I'm a man of integrity. I've been here for 25 years. I respect high authority. Now that the doctor has tested me negative, I know everybody will be happy with me now.
Yes, so all of us will be very happy.
And it will clear all doubt, you know.
I don't know why your daughter doesn't like me at all. I try all my possible best to make her happy. But still, no. Why?
Look, Efo, she doesn't hate you. You just take her as your grandchild and do for her what she wants. That's all.
You know, smart kids are very outspoken and must be treated with all sort of caution.
That is very right, sir. You are very right. Anyway.
How can woman be wicked like this? Somebody put something down, you go and take, you will not take some more and leave the rest. You take all. How? Woman B is not good though. Woman B is very bonyo. This thing not belongs to you. This thing I pour small debt here. From this distance to this import, you take all. How? This is what you see. I think I have somebody that I call a friend. This is not a friend. This is not a friend. You take all the thing. How? This boy don't know. I'll show him, the way I'll show him. This is what some people can do when you say before you take my thing, you pour the thing, you take all out. But don't let me show, get to the machine and my hand that
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night.
Yes, Cindy. So, a verb is a doing word or an action word. Now, let's go to some examples of a verb.
Can I ask you a question, Sir David?
Yes, go ahead.
What is one benefit of drinking alcohol?
Benefit of drinking alcohol?
Yes.
You see, Cindy, alcohol is meant for adults. Some adults do drink alcohol when they are going to sleep. Perhaps when they need to reduce some stress or some sort of, so alcohol is for adults.
Sir David, is that the answer to my question?
Well, not really. But you see, Cindy, alcohol has a lot of benefits to the body. However, it's not good for kids like you. So, there's no need for us to talk about it.
Sir David, you drink alcohol?
Cindy, you know what? I don't drink to stupor. I'm not a drunk. But once in a while, maybe when I want to sleep, I want to perhaps reduce stress or something, I will take in just a little. But then, like I said, alcohol is not meant for kids like you, so there's no need to talk about it. I suggest we go back to our lesson for the day, which is verb. Okay? Now, let's look at some examples of a verb. Can you give me examples?
Dancing, singing, preaching, drinking, cooking, eating.
Wonderful. Clap for yourself.
Kote. What is this? Kote, I'm asking you, what is this?
Efo, I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, you won't know what I'm talking about. But you are the same person, you are the only person in this compound. Before this palm wine come from outside through this, it passed through you. Before it go, it passed through you. And you are telling me you don't know anything about this. Say the truth.
Efo, please. Go and look for a missing palm wine.
Wow. I am not seeing who you are. You that I choose you as a friend, I trust you, I put my hope in you. This is the payback you will do for me. As a friend. No wonder. I hear you very well. Upon all this quarantine you people are doing, your target is this palm wine. Very good. You are not telling me who you are. Man of you, you are just telling me the kind of color you have.
Me, kama sekra, kama titi, kama sen, kama titi.
Yeah. Queen Leah.
Keep an eye on you. Every movement is full of you. Kitchen, bathroom, anywhere. Trousers, but my don't tell you.
You put the palm away. Hey. Damn you.
You do anything.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
We know you are the loser. Better step up your game for another day. Today I am the winner, and you are the loser. Better step up your game.
Efo,
Madam.
please go into my room. There are laundries over there. Take everything. Remove the curtains, the bed sheets, everything that is dirty in the room, and give them to Kosi to wash, okay?
Okay.
And also go into Cindy's room. There are also dirty things over there.
Okay, madam.
He should wash everything, okay?
Okay, madam.
Thank you very much. It's fine. Take care of the house. I'll be back.
Okay, madam. I'll do exactly what you said.
Yeah. Queen Leah. Yeah. My chef and I.
When you can't see I'm watching action movie.
Please, this is not your office. Your office is the kitchen. Get there.
Jeg kan ikke give mænd skylden for det.
Revia Maleshobo do deport to Chufina Chuafivagana here.
Are you trying to insult me?
No, I'm praising you in my language. Blaton, Blani, Kwefufu, Javapo, Blaton Voida. Blava Voidon, Blada, Bla, Viandre, Kofufua. Viandre, Blaton Voida. Yema. Blaton, Bla, Ashiki, Kofufua. Bala Blaton va Shiki. A woman called River, Kopofu.
Hi, baby. Come and give me a hug.
Please, no.
Stop that and give me a hug.
Anti-coronavirus, you've heard. Social distance, you understand? And you just came for a long journey, so can you just go and take your wash down and wash your hands and feel free?
Okay, then. I'll be right back.
Yeah. Queen Leah.
Keep an eye on you. Every movement is full of you. Kitchen, bathroom, anywhere. Trousers, but my don't tell you.
You put the palm away. Damn you.
You do anything.
Are you sure?
We know you are the loser. Better step up your game for another day. Today I am the winner, and you are the loser. Better step up your game.
Efo,
Madam.
please go into my room. There are laundries over there. take everything, remove the curtains, the bed sheets, everything that is dirty in the room, and give them to Kosi to wash, okay?
Okay.
And also go into Cindy's room. There are also dirty things over there.
Okay, madam.
He should wash everything, okay?
Okay, madam.
Thank you very much. It's fine. Take care of the house. I'll be back.
Okay, madam. I'll do exactly what you said.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Queen Leah. Yeah. My chef and I, we love to fight day and night.
Kose! Madam, you wash all these things.
Oh, Efo, how? This is every day they use the washing machine wash them. So how come the things can't do the floor here?
The machine is spoiled, the water flood everywhere in the room, so the machine cannot do anything. So madam said I should give it to you to wash.
Efo, so how I go wash them now?
Don't you have hands? Is it not the same hands you used to eat? Madam said wash it.
So you try put all these beddings for my towels and go use the washing machine.
Are you not hearing me telling you that the machine is spoiled and the water is flooding all over? Me wash it to me, I don't have that your time. This small thing you wash, you are saying you can't wash. Lazy person. I do 24 hours.
You're not my father, I have the power to say whatever. You a little spoiled child, you don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer. You a little spoiled child, don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer.
Who left me any food?
Nobody go back. Tits for tat, nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go
One
back.
part of me say that the last food you chop for the gate in Movi or what?
Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. If you do
Water.
me, I do you. Nobody go back.
Why don't make I take the water bath or make I drink them? Hey, man be wicked though. Efo, I see man be wicked like this before.
We don't see eye to eye. There's no high or goodbye. My chef and I, 'cause under the same shelter, we've been running helter skelter. If I'm the winner, you are the loser. Better step up your game for another day. Today I am the winner, and you are the loser. Better step up your game for another battle. 'Cause if you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tits for tat, nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tits for tat, nobody go back.
Efo, I'm sorry. Efo, I talk to you. I say I make sorry. Efo,
What?
Efo, you know say me then you be one blood. You be Cindy. Only way you treat me plus cook. When you talk to me say any movement we make for this house, make I keep eyes on you. Anywhere you go past, make I follow you.
So what happened to my palm wine? What happened to my palm wine?
Palm wine, I be Cindy go see for the kitchen from away long time.
So who do you work for? Cindy or the mother?
Oh, you be the madam, of course.
So who is your true friend?
For this question, yeah, maybe you.
I don't think so. You work according to your stomach direction.
Even as we dey here, sef. We dey here. I dey home since morning. I no chop anything.
I said it. It's only when you are hungry is where you know I am. If you are hungry before you know me as your chef.
It's only what you dey think of.
Look, reason up. That Cindy girl is just a trickish. Do you know what she asked me to do to you?
Why? What she talking?
It's not necessary for now. I've gotten my answer.
Okay. I beg me to come to the kitchen and give me some food. Otherwise, me I go feel faint for here. Simple. I beg you.
Go to the kitchen and there's something on there.
The full one.
If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. I do you. My chef and I.
Mommy, why are you eating again?
No, baby, I'm done.
Can I go and give to Uncle Kosi?
Why Kosi? You seem to like Kosi more than Chef Efo.
Mommy, please, I don't hate him. It's just that he acts so weird, so I can't keep mute.
Well, you just have to take it easy on him. He's just an old man. Okay?
Okay. Mom, can I go and give to Uncle Kosi?
Yes, you may.
Bella ciao, 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 segna pleno. Si melo, melo. Si me pa. Oh.
Uncle Kosi, please, this way.
Cindy. Oxygen. But Cindy, I hope you're not bribing with this. Oh.
I'm not. I'm trying to be a good friend.
Thank you.
Okay, did you hear anything fishy about him today?
Fishy? No, never.
Did he bring a woman in? Did he steal meat or fish? Did he do anything bad? What?
Cindy, let me tell you, I'm always a watchdog on him. Any step he moves, I'm there. Any corner he passes, I'm there. He can never do that in front of me. Never.
Good. I don't like a false attitude at all. He acts weird. I even want to get rid of him.
Oh, that's good, Cindy. See, anything you want, I'll do it for you. Okay?
Think of something. Think of a trap so that we can set him up or something.
Cindy, I'm always with you. Okay? I'm always with you.
Okay. Let's hurry up, eh? Let's get out of sight. What's happening?
This girl go make a fool for this house. Wow. Coca-Cola, yeah. Sparing date, man, TV. Chaba yaga. Oxygen, alamo. I have Fimala. Me always, if you bring me, I go take. Flavor cocoa way. Mango, pineapple. Oh, me fini wo fi atu. I dey go my post.
Good day, Fogazo.
Good day.
Please, I want to watch a cartoon.
Jeg får en melding om, at filmen befinder sig derinde.
Can't you see I'm watching action movie?
Please, this is not your office. Your office is the kitchen. Get there.
Jeg kan ikke give mænd skylden for det.
Revia Maleshobo do deporto chufina chuafiva Ghana here.
Are you trying to insult me?
No, I'm praising you in my language.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye, there's no high or goodbye. My chef and I, 'cause under the same shelter, we've been running helter-skelter. If I'm the winner, you are the loser.
Your auntie called.
Which of them?
Auntie Joan.
Okay, how is she?
She's fine. She says she wants to come and spend some days with us.
Wait, isn't she happy at the place?
She is. But she says there's something she has to discuss with me.
Only if your expenditure for the month can cover her.
It will. We will manage. Besides, she's not coming to stay for too long.
I hope she checks up before coming to this household. I'm afraid of this coronavirus.
Oh, Cindy, how can you talk like that? She's your auntie, for Christ's sake.
Mommy, COVID-19 is no respecter of person. It can catch anyone.
I'm sure she knows all that. And don't forget your auntie is an educated woman.
Yes, Mom. Please tell her to follow the safety rules when she's coming.
Yes, madam.
The oranges are nice as yourself.
Thank you.
By the way, what's your name?
Enam.
And now, oh, you have a nice name.
Thank you.
Welcome.
This house is beautiful. No.
Why not?
Very, very, very beautiful. Do you stay here?
Yes, this is where I work at.
It's a nice house.
See, I'm not just a gate man. Oh. I double up as a houseboy. I cook for the madam. See, I can even go and sit on madam's bed, cross my leg like this, put the food on my leg and eat, use the fork, chop, eat anyhow. I can even come to the living room, watch any kind of movie, cartoons, war film, horror film, any kind of movie. Yes, I cook for the whole house,
That's nice.
Very, very nice.
You must be lucky then.
I'm not just lucky. I'm lucky. By the way, are you having a boyfriend?
Why do you ask?
Oh, I just want to be sure so that I don't double cross someone. I hate double crossing in my life.
Okay, in that case, you can join the queue.
There is queue?
Uh-huh.
Good morning.
Good morning, princess. You can keep it.
Who is she?
She?
Yes.
Oh, she's just an orphan that I'm trying to help.
Kose, be careful. Be careful. You're not in the normal times again. Anyway, let's go inside. I need your help.
Homework?
Let's go inside. I just need your help.
My chef and I.
Hey, baby.
Hi, Mom.
Your teacher called. He said he won't be able to come today because he has some emergency. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going out to pick your auntie. She lost her way here.
You take long, right?
Very soon, my love. Very soon. So, as I was saying,
Madam,
please prepare the best of your meals, okay?
Okay, madam, don't worry. I'll prepare one of my best delicacy for you.
I trust you. So I won't be long.
Okay, madam.
Please be snappy about it.
All right.
Next.
My chef and I, my chef and I.
But I know say what you do, they will slap you.
Oh, for what? Why do you think I was speaking that way to do the calculation? Because that small girl is very smart. So if I mention the figures in English, oh, she will easily combine it. So I use every. Respect the old man. That is sense.
So you did it?
Yes, madam. As they came to call me, madam, I was slotting some onion, so the vapor went into my eyes. So as I was washing on the sheet, it was dancing. So I couldn't. I'm sorry.
Efo, how could you?
Oh, I'm sorry, madam.
How could you do this to me? You know how much I pay a term. I am highly disappointed in you.
I'm very sorry, madam. It won't happen again.
I don't want to believe you did this on purpose.
Oh, no, madam. Look among my I can't do that. This one was pure mistake I did. Madam, I'm sorry.
Please, let me warn both of you. I am not weak, you know. And so none of you should take my leniency to be my weakness.
Mulakpa.
Mommy, why are you eating again?
No, baby, I'm done.
Can I go and give to Uncle Kosi?
Why Kosi? You seem to like Kosi more than Chef Efo.
Mommy, please, I don't hate him. It's just that he acts so weird, so I can't keep mute.
Well, you just have to take it easy on him. He's just an old man. Okay?
Okay. Mom, can I go and give to Uncle Kosi?
Yes, you may.
I don't like Efo's attitude at all. He acts weird. I even want to get rid of him.
Oh, that's good, Cindy. See, anything you want, I'll do it for you. Okay?
Think of something. think of a trap so that we can set him up or something.
Cindy, I'm always with you. Okay, I'm always with you. Are you having a boyfriend?
Why do you ask?
Oh, I just want to be sure so that I not double cross someone. I hate double crossing in my life.
Okay, in that case, you can join the queue.
There is queue?
Uh-huh.
Who is she?
She?
Yes.
Oh, she's just an orphan that I'm trying to help.
Kose, be careful. Be careful. You're not in the normal times again. Anyway, let's go inside. I need your help.
Homework?
Okay.
So I'm going out to pick your auntie. She lost her way here.
You take long, right?
Very soon, my love. Very soon. So, as I was saying,
Madam,
please prepare the best of your meals, okay?
Okay, madam, don't worry. I'll prepare one of my best delicacy for you.
I trust you. So I won't be long.
Okay, madam.
Please be snappy about it.
All right.
My chef and I, my chef and I.
Uncle Gosa, can you please help me with my homework inside?
Your homework?
Yeah.
Okay. Cindy.
Uncle Gosa, please, here is my homework.
Oh, okay. Cindy, I'm not sure I can do this work.
Uncle Gosa, why? I thought you finished school.
Yes, I did. But I wasn't good at maths.
How can help me with my homework?
I'm sure Efo Gazo can help you. He's very good at maths. You know, have you seen how he used to calculate the ingredients before he cooks for you? He plus the onion, plus the salt. Then he separate the onga from the onion. Then add the margarine. So I'm sure he can help you.
Are you sure Gazo can help me?
Oh, very, very sure.
You know I don't like that man, but if you can get him to help me, there, no problem.
Okay. You wait for me, okay? Let me get him. Okay? Relax. I'll call the son put in him as. Chef!
What?
Yeah. Cindy say maybe help him solve the math.
Blaton, Blani, Quefufu, Javapo, Blaton Vater. Blava Vaton, Blada, Bla Viandra, Quafufua. Viata, Blaton Vater, Yama. Blaton, Bla Ashiki, Quafufua, Agal blaton va sieki un woman ko vive ko pofu ala fare kam lave.
Il faut bailler fille.
Il y a bladen là.
A four.
Yeah.
I didn't trust you.
Combine the two. When you see it like that, you see this one here. You see this one here. Then you bring the two together. That is the positive and the negative. You combine it. You write the answer. You finish.
Okay. Thank you, F4. For one.
Is that all?
That's all. Cindy, I told you, F4 is very good at maths. He sometimes teaches me at my post. So when you get homework, give it to me. I'll give it to F4. When you take it to school, you get excellent. Just cheer up, okay? Cindy!
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye, there's no high or goodbye. My chef and I, 'cause under the same shelter, we've been running helter skelter. If I'm the winner, you are the loser. Better step up your game for another day. Today I am the winner, and you are the loser. Better step up your game for another battle. 'Cause if you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat, nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat, nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. I do you. My chef and I.
Hi, baby. Come and give me a hug.
No.
Stop that and give me a hug.
Anti-coronavirus, you've heard. Social distance, you understand? Auntie, you just came for a long journey, so can you just go and take your wash down and wash your hands and feel free?
Okay, then. I'll be right back.
So you made it longer.
Hey, F4, Madame is so fine. Hey, I never seen a woman like this before. The woman fine. See, as I take the bag off from the kind side, even the spray is sense of cry where I smell it. This woman is fine. Ha!
Fine, you correct.
Very, very fine.
You don't know how to describe something. So I say describe something. Maybe she have her view boot is extra Madame own and her own. So maybe Madame own is extra large. Then her own is extra large or medium. Then you describe that thing well. So describe that thing. Let me see.
I say everything far about the woman. Everything.
Okay, everything that I say yup. Okay, so
Yup.
So it's because of me, and I see the whole girl in picture already before I come to the house.
You see everything?
I see everything. Because of him, Madame brought her.
Let her talk. Me, if I get money, I go marry that woman.
See, don't try that one. If you try that one, you down to flat. That meat is not your meat. you just collapse flat. You know the technicalities me I prepare the food level in this house will change. I'm telling you. It's because of me. So I tell her the food I'll prepare for her, you wait and see. Let me see her and see whether it's my choice. I will tell you. You understand? Don't try. If you want to die before your time, then try to propose.
Cindy, I did not like what you did to your auntie this evening. You embarrassed her.
Mommy, what did I do?
You refused to hug her. But she's your auntie.
Come on, Mommy. That's not true. You know we are not in the normal times again. But the auntie has no respect for relationships or family.
Oh, gosh, Cindy. You are too difficult. You are too difficult.
I'm not. You must respect the law.
It's okay. Let's continue our Bible studies. Please, let's study Psalm 23. You read it.
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He made me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside
Do you? Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back.
Therefore, come. Fire the mountain top. Fire the mountain top.
What?
I said fire the mountain top.
What?
Problem come household.
What problem?
The way Madame Bo, especially you. Ha! Madame Bo, you rough.
For what?
You see the last time we teach Cindy the homework, hey, everything be zero. I say zero, negative zero. Ha!
Very good. You see, today, if I were to be having my palm wine inside there, today I would drink, and then like heaven is coming down.
Why?
One of my happiest days today. I just want to teach that small girl technicalities. By now, I know by now they have given you more than 100 and something lashes.
By now, say what you do, they will sack you.
Oh, for what? Why do you think I was speaking that way to do the calculation? Because that small girl is very smart. So if I mention the figures in English, she will easily combine it. So I use every. Respect the old man. That is my sense. Yes.
But me, at the face, they will sack you.
Why? The mom.
Hey,
Oh, forget it. She's a woman being. When she asks me, I'll just tell her, oh, madam, I am very sorry. It is because my wife called me from the village demanding money, so I was confused and I don't know what I'm doing. Then she walked.
But if we be wicked, if we turn it papa, it is an hour yet, and I don't. I saw sad one. I don't. Sana our boy on our boy. Yeah, for you wicked, and for you wicked.
Sister, the whole shop felt flat. I couldn't even pick one item. Like, I am zero. Who do I turn to? I have no one else but you. Please help me.
But Joanne, did you not insure your shop?
I was in the process when this whole thing happened though.
Wow. You know, it's very necessary we insure our properties. If I had not insured my properties, I would have lost everything to fire as well. Wow. So how much are you looking at?
About $25,000. But if you can help me with $10,000, I'll be grateful. At least I can start something with that.
Wow. And I've exhausted all my money in my accounts here. But I need to travel abroad and push down some money. I'll see what to do.
Okay. Thank you. I'll be grateful.
Wow. Okay.
I love this place and the serenity of this whole estate.
Yes, well-lead estate. I heard about them when I was in abroad, and they have very flexible payment plan.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you, Sissy. Thank you.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night.
Which of you did the homework?
Madam, I couldn't help her. So I invited the food to help.
So you did it?
Yes, madam. As they came to call me, madam, I was slaughtering some onion, so the vapor went into my eyes. So as I was washing on the sheet, it was dancing. So I couldn't. I'm sorry.
Efo, how could you?
I'm sorry, madam.
How could you do this to me? You know how much I pay a term. I am highly disappointed in you.
I'm very sorry, madam. It won't happen again.
I don't want to believe you did this on purpose.
Oh, no, madam. Look among my I can't do that. This one was pure mistake I did. Madam, I'm sorry.
Please, let me warn both of you. I am not weak, you know. And so none of you should take my leniency to be my weakness. I can bite. I don't want this to be repeated again. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, madam.
Please just leave.
Okay. Madam, as your heart rises like this, can I give you some cold water to calm down?
Don't annoy me. Just go.
So you may live longer. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back.
Yeah, baby. I bought this for you.
Wow, this is very nice.
You like it?
Yeah. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome, darling. But I really miss you. I hope you've been studying.
Yes. I'm so happy that you are here. Yes, so that you can help me kick that chef of a man out of this house.
You mean Efo?
Yes.
What did you do?
He's nothing but trouble in this house.
Eh. Okay, you know what? You don't worry. I'll monitor him personally. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, baby. I bought this for you.
Wow, this is very nice.
You like it?
Yeah. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome, darling. But I really miss you. I hope you've been studying.
Yes. I'm so happy that you are here. Yes, so that you can help me kick that chef of a man out of this house.
You mean Efo?
Yes.
What did you do?
He's nothing but trouble in this house.
Eh. Okay, you know what? You don't worry. I'll monitor him personally. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, you're here?
Yes, madam.
Okay, then I'm going upstairs.
Okay.
I'm going to clean my makeup and then shower.
Okay.
And go to bed.
Okay, madam.
So when you finish, please put off all the ACs and the lights, okay? And please check up on my girl for me before you go to bed.
Okay, madam.
Good night.
Sound sleep.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye. There's no hi or goodbye. My chef and I, 'cause under the same shower.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Everything all right?
Since when did you start to care?
Oh, why not? I went to the market for the woman I've been buying tomatoes from. Ever since this pandemic cold war, nothing came kill people by heart. So
COVID-19.
yes, a pandemic COVID-19. It can't kill people at the market. So I know anybody can die at any time. So I'm checking on anybody, everyone.
Do you wish me dead?
Oh, how? Why not? Why should I wish you dead? Only my enemies, people that hate me, that I wish them dead. Oh, how do I wish you dead?
Okay.
Alright, take a sound sleep.
Efogazo,
Yes,
can you please sing me a nice song to sleep?
sing for you. Dauma plate now. Which type of song do you want? Is it a rap or sing a cappella? Which language?
Any.
Any.
So you may live longer. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back.
Mulakpa, betawo bangwana mulakpa. Ayo maba mulakpa, awo manya. Nane jota mavala fiana kon wote puba madigana ya. It's okay.
I only asked you to sing, but it's okay. I'll manage my sleeping. You give me bad dreams.
Ale wonya boglono na ba hatu tako ni majina bana. Dauma plati tipu na ya kono.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night.
I don't know if that's you. I'm beginning to laugh. You see, this one is just for you to cool the temper down. And as I said, that the month has ended. For me to prove how responsible I am and how intelligent I will be in your life. The month has ended. I collected my salary. I did not even this month I didn't pay my tithe at all. As I take it, nothing I deduct from it. Just to prove to you how responsible I am and how intelligent I am. Yes. Oh.
Thank you.
Mabadi open you now, be mau. Awobusia from bebo masho holo Aw maba ambaye dia wope enina wada aw your smile alone kill me.
Know your culture, respect your elder, so you may live longer. Do me, I do you, nobody go back. Tit for tat, nobody go back. If you do me, I do you, nobody go back. Tit for tat. We don't see eye to eye. There's no hi or goodbye. My chef and I, 'cause under the same shelter, we've been running helter skelter. If I'm the winner, you are the loser.
Honey, good morning.
Good morning, love. How are you?
I'm fine.
Did you sleep well?
Yes. Mommy, I met a man coming out from your room.
Well, he's my fiancé. His name is Martin.
What does he want in this house?
Well, he came to spend some few days with us.
I hope he's a good man.
Of course he is. And I'm sure you will like him.
I suppose.
So can we do our quiet time? It's good you're here on time. So today, you have to tell us where to study.
Okay. Sam.
Songs?
You're a little sport child. Don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back.
Alright, baby, so before anything, I want to say sorry, okay, for not doing this earlier. So
Accepted.
okay, thanks. So that's your father-to-be. His name is Martin.
Okay.
And Martin, that's my princess.
Hey, Cindy.
Hi.
Oh, come to daddy.
Thanks, I'm okay here.
No, I insist. Come to daddy, Cindy.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you like chocolates?
Yeah.
Okay, so tomorrow I'll take you to the mall and I'll buy you some chocolates, okay?
Okay.
Right.
And she likes ice cream too.
Really? Which flavor do you like?
Strawberry.
Oh, strawberry pinky.
You're all welcome.
Thank you.
So I called all of you here to introduce you to my fiancé. You meet Martin. Okay, so Martin, you meet my daughter, my heart, as you already know.
Hi.
And that's my
kid sister Joan. And that is also Efo, the chef of the house. And Kose happens to be my house boy and also the gatesman. So, just so you know, he's going to be with us for some few days. And because he's the man of the house, I want you to accord him with all the necessary respect that is due him. The same way you respect me. Is that all right?
Very clear.
Very clear.
Efo,
Madam.
is that clear?
Yes, madam. Everything is all right.
All right.
Child, you don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer. You're a little spoiled child. You don't know your culture. Respect your elder.
F4. F1. F4.
Oh, okay, now I'm young by heart.
Oh. For the one can't just say your night, I'll be your night. Where they shot from my top like that. Maybe I know say your night no be good. Right now, man of the house, he come. Man, go try him. You see body man, like that. Go try him. You DSA be man of the house, you be man of the house. Go try him then see. They go finish you quick.
Man, for the house inside, it's that boy who is he.
See, every day they hear the young guy. You go away very soon. Go try him. That your food where they cook gives in every day. Go try him. You go gym before, see body. You go try him. Every day they cook palava sauce as breakfast. You hear that before?
That boy, that boy go fit beat me. That boy go fit beat me. That boy do I go beat him rough. You see, say get me that boy, me, I no want kill human being. If that boy me I like right now, go if it's a small tablespoon, I go take give and make it take chop. Small tablespoon. You will understand the word I use now, small tablespoon.
I understand. So why they sit away they think? Why not then take your post?
Who take my post? I give us some few months to go. If you no go, you no be anything. Families go just come take and go out.
You dear.
No say no, me I know who I am.
Hey, Efo, they lie oh. Why your life dey so? See, make I talk to you. If you no go try this man, you know how they cut cow meat. You cut you check.
Me that boy go fit take. If that boy do, I go hold him like this. I go punch him rough. He teeth. This one go come out fall ground.
Action.
Efo, see, make I talk to you. This thing be love matter oh. Me I no want put myself inside. Cry. I no want put myself inside.
Go your post. Go your post.
Relax, give me a Efo. Go beat it every day. I go to sweep your blood for the. Oh, I don't want that. Oh.
You wait. But go say wait, madam. To this boy go take a me a day here like this. They give you original food. But go take this boy who.
If you be correct, I go try him. Cook that food, give and see me. I won't be saying me if the food no sweet or no. If I
you wait one day, make madam know the house. Then he try me. You go can see and how go blow him.
I know make her sweep your blood for the gate in body.
Go your post. Don't can annoy me. You say you go fit beat me. You go fit beat me. When you say that boy go beat me. You know how many people me I fight for life. Me I fight with mortuary men. I fight with market women. I fight with shoemakers.
Uncle Martin, do you really love my mom?
Of course, yes. I love your mom so much, and I could kill for her. See, and one more thing. I am infatuated by her beauty.
I'm glad you really like her and want to marry her. Can you please take care of her?
I will do, absolutely. I just want to make sure I make both of you so happy.
Kindly keep an eye on that chef. He acts weird.
Okay. Alright. I will.
Anyway, can you please help me remember?
Alright, let's see what you got here.
In here, I'm the master. I give the order. No bag of wire. You're not my mother. You're not my father. I have the power to say whatever. You a little spoiled child. You don't know your culture. Respect your elder. So you made it longer. You a little spoiled child.
Chef Efo is indeed a great chef.
So he's very experienced.
You can see that.
Babes, I'm sure you're enjoying his food.
Not as in you would have used your fingers to prepare it.
And you're right. Honey, do you like the company of Uncle Martin?
I'm trying to.
Really?
Yep.
Don't worry, she will.
Good day, Fogago.
Good day.
Please, I want to watch a cartoon on Nickelodeon.
When you can't you see I'm watching action movie?
Please, this is not your office. Your office is the kitchen. Get there.
Whatever I'm a shop do deport to Chufi in the Chuafi Vagana here.
Are you trying to insult me?
No, I'm praising you in my language.
Good day, Fogago.
Good day.
Please, I want to watch a cartoon on Nickelodeon.
When you can't you see I'm watching action movie?
Please, this is not your office. Your office is the kitchen. Get there.
Whatever I'm a shop do deport to Chufi in the Chuafi Vagana here.
Are you trying to insult me?
No, I'm praising you in my language.
Oh, Joanna, I am so happy. Oh, yeah. That guy is so sweet.
I know, and you have to do your best to keep him.
Girl, I am not losing him to anything.
I trust you, because such guys need pampering and money. And when you do that, they will be yours forever.
You know me too well, Joan.
I do, baby.
And I am sure he would not like to set his foot out of this house. And trust me, I am keeping him like an egg.
I trust you on that. So now, cheers. Cheers to Martin.
To Martin.
The Lord's Prayer.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth, as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. In the amount of temptation, for thine is thy kingdom, the power and the glory, forever and ever. Amen.
Amen. You guys started without me.
Oh yes, and Martin here is such a prayerful man.
I can see that.
And you're so lucky to have such a man in your life.
I know, right?
Martin, please, please, and please. My sister here is all I got. Please take good care of her for me. I beg you.
See, she's all I got too. She's such a diamond.
Oh, you guys, stop flattering me.
Anyway, let's continue our studies.
Yes.
Okay, so today I'm reading from Ephesians chapter 6, verse 12 to 13. And I read, For we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities, against powers, against the rulers of the darkness of this world, against spiritual wickedness in high places. Wherefore take unto you the whole armor of God, that ye may be able to withstand in the evil day, and having done all to stand. And this is the word of God.
We love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye. There's no high or goodbye. My chef and I. Cause under the same shelter, we've been running helter skelter. If I'm the winner, you are the loser. Better step up your game for another day. Today I am the winner, and you are the loser. Better step up your game for another battle. Cause if you do me, I do you. Nobody go back.
So, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Long, long ago, there lived a king and the queen in the grand palace. They had a cute little daughter who was christened Snow White because she was as fair as snow. She was so sweet and beautiful that even birds and animals would come and play with her. The butterflies would leave the flowers and come and sit on her shoulders. Snow White too used to enjoy their company thoroughly. Cindy, please give me my phone. I have a text message.
So you may live longer. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. I do you. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. I do you. I do you. My chef and I. My chef and I. My chef and I. We love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye. There's no high or goodbye. My chef and I. Cause under the same shelter, we've been running helter skelter.
Okay, so she was enjoying her childhood. That's when her mother.
Please, can you excuse me?
Okay, where are you going?
I'm going upstairs.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Tit for tat, nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat, nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. I do you. I do you. My chef and I. Oh, in here I'm the master. I give the order. Whatever. You a little spoiled child. You don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer. You're a little spoiled child. You don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back.
Grandpa, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Can I ask you a question?
Why not? Ask me.
Can two sisters share one man?
Oh, if you can no questions, I'll point to it. No, it's not possible. Why? Who asked you to come and ask?
No one, I'm just asking. Thank you for the answer.
Okay, you're welcome. The Viagra dictionary, what kind of dictionary is he using? You just go and find ordinary words, then you come. Oh, she's talking about me. Oh, me, what did I do? I'm just sharing one. No. Maybe another time money. She's up to something.
Kose, take this money and get me honey from the store.
Madam,
Honey.
Madam, I'm sorry, I can't go. I've been warned not to leave my post. If I leave my post, madam, fire. If you mean getting you that honey cry, it's going to be like an hour. Madam, Efo is at the market. You can call him so that he'll get you one. Madam.
Kose, take the money now. Take it.
Madam, don't fire me.
Kose, are you challenging me?
Madam, but...
Take the money. Take the money now.
Madam, don't fire me.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye. There's no hi or goodbye. My chef and I, 'cause under the same shelter, we've been running helter skelter. If I'm the winner, you are the loser. Better step up your game for another day. Today I am the winner, and you are the loser. Better step up your game for another battle. 'Cause if you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat, nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat, nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. I do you. I do you. My chef and I. The master, I give the order. No bag of wire. You're not my mother, you're not my father. I have the power to say whatever. You a little spoiled child. You don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer. You a little spoiled child. You don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat, nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat, nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. I do you. I do you. My chef and I. My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye.
You dey here? You are the search. That's why they go around and some of you dey here.
I can't sit here a long time.
Okay. Efo, something they bother me, I don't want complaint give you. But I know see me too, I don't want left my post. Well, if I left my post, Madam Campe, sackment go happen. So anytime we it tries me, I talk and say, well, go market. So no. Me now we the one send. When me too, if I left the gate to Madam Campe, me have for open them. Well, if I no open them, you know say problem go happen. Why for be so? Why for be so?
So as you are telling me now, what do you want me to do? So I am Jesus Christ. I am Jesus Christ to solve all your problems for you. You as a person. When I told you, would you think positive, like you want to move forward? Always with the gossip. You not go move forward though. You talk too much. Every day gossip.
You know say you the Madam Joan be one. That's why I give this money to make it talk to him. So of me, they send where they send me. No, sometimes I dey bomb, but I take and cool. So of you know my job, this is my post. You dey back. So just try talk to him. Me, I know one case. Talk to him. Simple.
You drink water this morning?
No.
That is why your mind is not working well. Every morning, fetch water and drink. It will wash your mind. And you need it, then you will think positive. That's why you are not. You always think by heart.
If right now you want to talk to me, say right now you be doctor. See, make I talk to you. You know, say this house where we dey, we be one. If problem happens, say bang, we all they go include us. We the So what I want to try to talk is say just talk to Madam Joan. Just talk to him. I no one problem. You.
I'm a button and no you come up busu sunyo besia boko sa kokonsa ya ku nke ba ma wona Am I Jesus Christ to solve your problems? Or I'm Chancellor New Dross?
Don't know your culture, respect your elder, so you may live longer. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex.
You see, Madam Joan, this is for your weekly salary. So you spend this for the week, then the month I'll give you something. Then she will say, oh, thank you, my dear. I'll say, no mention. Then
You like my auntie?
oh, yes, she's a good person. She's a good person.
Have you gotten to know her well?
Oh, why not? She's a woman, this type of woman that every man will be looking up to marry. She's very good. She's a marriage material.
Okay. What do you think about that Martin of a man?
Your mom's fiancé.
Yes.
I just respect him because of your mother. If not, cool. Don't you look like the ragamuffin rascal? Sure. I respect him because of your mom.
Do you like my mother?
Ah, Cindy, why not? Your mom is a good person. I like her so much. Ah.
Will you do anything for her?
Oh. I will do everything. I will dedicate myself, devote myself to sacrifice myself for your mom.
Then all right. Put your eyes on the ground in this house.
Then put your eye on the ground. What is she trying to say? Or is it because of the money that small children have been cutting from the market? No. Like you like my mother, can you do anything for her? This girl is saying something. What is she saying and I cannot see?
My chef and I, we love to fight.
Wait.
But wait. Let's hurry up before someone comes in here.
What happened to the money I asked for? Why haven't you forced her to take it from me?
It is not easy. I've been pressing it on her, but she's adamant.
See, if you don't get me this money, I won't allow you to do anything with me again.
Oh. Why are you saying this?
Yes.
I'm trying. This is just a little bit of patience, and I'll get it for you. Okay? Let me do one. Okay? One.
Good afternoon.
Yes?
You see, in this life, anyone who wants to eat with both hands, it's easy to be described as a greedy bastard. And I don't want to suspect you as one of them.
Are you here to insult me?
No, I am just here to advise you peacefully.
Have you advised yourself enough? What sense do you have?
Wow, a lot. I mean, are you here to visit big madam, or you are here to visit small madam? What at all have you been doing in that room? What do you want in that room?
Which room?
Small madam's room.
See, I am not ready for your nonsense. Leave my sight before I do the unthinkable.
Wow.
Hey, you have 2 eyes, so you can add that of all your village people.
Wow. You see it as a joke, but it's easy for you.
My chef and I. We love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye. There's no hi or goodbye. My chef and I, 'cause I know the same show.
Thanks for the drink.
You're welcome.
Okay, do you know what's happening?
What is going on?
Are you trying to tell me you don't know what's happening in this house?
No. What? If you know something, tell me.
Okay, I'm not saying Uncle Martin and Auntie Joanne well.
Yes, yes. If that is what you are talking about, then I some other time to me too, I see them in the act of kiss like that, but well, I don't know.
I knew that you know something.
No. I see them like that, but I don't want us to conclude it like that. It might just be a friend.
Thanks for the drink anyway.
You're welcome. It's okay.
Child, you don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer. You're a little spoiled child. You don't know your culture.
Oh, Cindy, your hair is messy. You need to go back to the salon. Otherwise, we have to call the lady to come home and fix it for you.
Okay. Mommy, when is Auntie Joanne leaving here?
I don't know.
I thought she wasn't going to stay for long.
Well, that's what she said. But if she doesn't want to go, I don't have a problem.
She must go. This isn't her house.
Stop saying that. She's your auntie. And if she wants to live in this house forever, let her be. I don't have a problem.
Mommy, this is my mother's house and I must have a say in who stays here.
Cindy, shut up. Shut up. I don't want to hear you talk like that again.
You are the only person that enter every room. You sweep everything. You are the one who has been entering the room. The only room I have to share with you here is only Joanne's room, Madame Joanne, and our Madame herself. Kosi, I'm not seeing something well at all. I'm not seeing something well. Someone is trying to eat left and right. In this life, I don't know. We have visitor in the house.
Yeah.
I don't know whether he come to Madame or he come to Madame brother, friend, sister. We are in this house. You are the only person who enter these rooms. You sweep the rooms. You lay their beds. You do everything. You and I in this house for a long time, we are only sharing one room. But now, you can share 2 rooms at a time. All boss up to Martin.
If you say always, I dey talk you things where they go on for the house, you dey diss me. You say today you Nangasa you see. Always I dey talk you this.
This boy can go. I don't know whether you come to Madame or Madame's brother, sister, friend. You are sharing 2 rooms now.
I talk you.
I beg. If you want to sweep the room now, let the broom go under the bed. Take off anything. When you want to lay the bed, you have to be very careful. You check it. If you see anything like rubber, cocoa, they take cocoa and it's like stylish. In the rubber, you have to bring all those things to me.
So right now, for you go teach me how to do this. Me every day they do that thing.
Yes, but we should. Maybe you've been seeing it, but it's normal for you.
Oh, okay.
So if you see, check the dustbins.
Oh, okay.
You have to be alert.
The dustbin to make a check inside.
Check everything. If you see anything rubber, bring it to me.
Okay.
Okay,
I will do that.
That's why this Cindy, this girl, has been asking some questions. You see that? The small guy is saying something. That is why he can ask big questions. Hey, but if this guy do this, yeah, I'm one you know.
For you, I go my post.
All right. Hey, one you know. And you me that I've been feeding this girl morning, afternoon, evening. You don't do anything, but you won't cook up. Hey, I even sacrifice my salary like orphan.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night, eye to eye. There is no high or goodbye. My chef and I, 'cause under the same shelter, we've been running helter skelter. If I'm the winner, you are the loser. Better step up your game for another day. Today I am the winner, and you are the loser. Better step up your game for another battle. 'Cause if you do me, I do you.
Why are you doing this?
What am I doing?
Why are you doing the same thing you do with my mother with Auntie Joanne?
Cindy, I don't know what you're talking about.
You know very well what you are doing, and you know that's bad. Why don't you stop? Eyes are watching you.
In here I'm the master, I give the order. No bag of wire, you're not my mother, you're not my father. I have the power to say whatever.
Oh, I'm dreaming. No, this is not. How? But you promised me to. But I'm already sponsoring her. No. Oh, I'm dreaming. This cannot be dream. Messi told me she would think about it. No, I have to check this.
My chef and I, we love to fight.
Mommy. Yes, my dear. Can Uncle Mountain play with Auntie Joanne like the way he plays with you?
Oh, of course. Of course, why not?
Even by kissing?
By kissing whom? Cindy. Where is this one too coming from? Cindy, why are you like this? Hey. Really, you have to be careful. There are things that are meant for only adults. Okay? You are just a child. And where did you hear this one too from?
Mommy, do you expect me to keep mute if someone tries to kill you because I'm a kid?
No, my dear. But why are you talking like this? Where did you get this one? I mean, where did you see this? Who told you this? Cindy, please, I beg you. You have to be very careful. I don't like the way you go about things. Cindy. Who kissed who? I mean, what are you saying?
Spoiled child, you don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer. You're a little spoiled child, you don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer.
Cindy, did anybody tell you anything? Look, my friend, don't ever let me hear you say such a thing again. Have I made myself clear?
go, baby. Breakfast in bed.
But what is it for? Why are you serving me breakfast yourself?
Why can't I be nice to my wife to be?
Well.
Okay, should I warm water for you to bath?
Is everything okay with you?
Just say yes.
Well, yes.
Bravo. Bravo.
Thank you.
Welcome, baby.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye. There's no harm or goodbye.
Something going on in this house is not good. It's not good at all. Huh? With this one there, somebody to be going out with one parent daughters too. Senior sister is not good.
What do you try me?
Okay, this one is my hometown. This one is abomination. Movi money. Oh, now, wow.
Why, you see something like it bother you or what?
You see that boy will come to the house, that ragamuffin rascal boy will come, Madam sister's with that friend. What I'm saying about that boy is not good at all. You see, I see the thing, I see Madam's daughter, she's a Cindy, she's a small girl, she don't know anything. I try to carry her mind psychologically to see whether she's seeing the same thing. That is why the girl can ask unnecessary questions to be big like that.
So you talk, madam?
How you go people talk this one? How you go people talk this one? Hey, human being is not good though.
You know, see, if you come love matter, we no take time, you come third person.
Yeah. Because see, this one is not the matter of me going to. I need to go and check one or two things at the village. You understand? It's not necessary in life somebody have to stand in gap for someone. It's not necessary in life your pastor or your mother, your auntie or your family member. You can devote yourself and stand in for somebody. So I need to do that. I have to go to the village and check 1, 2, 1, 2. You understand?
So me, I no share that go like that. So if it is something like, if I go see the madam, we talk to him. So say, you know, say being the way they give, like then they go around, know everything where they go on. So if something like that they happen, if I go see him, then I lay down for talk. You back.
What I see with my eyes, naked eyes with that boy physical. Oh no, he says you just want. I see one day the boy holy. Sorry, I think say you are a woman. Hey, go say. It's not good. Because this thing, if we don't take time now, before we realize when they take over this house, you see they don't give us face. When they take over this house now, our job is at stake. They will sack us. You understand? So I need to do something. Charlie, day is going. Let me go and prepare something.
So let me talk to the madam. When they come talk, even though I be your good friend, so talk to the madam. Because madam will go search out things and know say this be true or not be true. I did my one corner. My post be very important.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night.
FUC, what you saw last night was nothing, okay? It was just to save your job.
What are you trying to tell me? You think Umadi is a small boy? You that I see you and that boy holding you, kissing you like that, you are telling me just what? I'm not a small boy, you.
Therefore, see, Martin has realized that Amoro's relationship as well as your theft.
So how do you convince him?
That is why I did what I did last night. It was for you.
Huh?
Yes, and he has threatened to tell your madam. And you know what that means? For me, I'm safe though.
Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. I do you. My chef and I. In here, I'm the master. I give the order. No bag of wire. You're not my mother. You're not my father. I have the power to say whatever. You a little spoiled child. You don't know your culture.
Oh, this boy. If you poison him too, they will see that I am the one who killed him. I can't beat him too. Hey. If this one I can beat him, I can easily lock him somewhere and give him better blow. Then I'll give him internal bleeding. Onuna obakase kufiana wako.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night.
Madam, this thing that I'm coming to say now is very difficult, but madam, I must say it. It's about Bra Martin and Sister Joan.
What is it that is so difficult for you to say?
What I'm seeing about them, I've been seeing them in awkward positions.
What is it? Go straight to the point.
Yes, you see, I have been seeing Bra Martin sneaking into Sister Joan's room.
Look, Martin goes to Joan's room to help her in Bible study. Okay? They pray together.
Madam Matibia, it's not true. I am not sure.
Listen, Efo. My sister and Martin are God-fearing people. I trust them so much. Okay? Don't try to bring confusion among us. We are a happy family. So stop this.
I'm sorry, madam.
Look, is that why you called me this early morning?
Madam, I'm sorry, madam.
I don't want to hear this again. Please.
Madam, I'm sorry.
Are you serious?
Tit for tat, nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat, nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you.
Mugli, boy, ya wojo renyo wajila. Toto susune poto. Gede panya. I'm telling you this. You are telling me my sister and I are God-fearing people. I am me for media. I am Satan-fearing person. No, this boy done something to this madam.
In here, I'm the master. I give the order. No bag of wire. You're not my mother. You're not my father.
Look, Martin, I feel threatened by Efo. They could tell on us anytime.
Don't worry, okay? I have captured your sister's mind.
But Martin, Efo has got fat too. And I feel insecure.
I said don't worry. Matibia will never believe me. You know your sister trusts both of us.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am very sure. Don't worry your pretty head over this, okay? Just go inside.
My chef and I.
Efo.
Yes.
What is that?
What did you request for? Is it not water?
Where's the bottled water?
Bottled water. Is bottled water, don't you know bottled water is for special people when we have good visitors. They don't be asking people water for bottled water like say you are somebody. Why? Who are you? They give you water, you know, your life alone is annoying in this house. You alone, why? Why? If you were to be in my village now, by now they use you to sacrifice the gods.
I know your kind. You're a dead living man. And I don't want to be the one to send it to your maker. You leave my sight now.
Don't try that word again at all at my side. Don't try that one. Why you alone? You are telling me you are ransacking Madame, ransacking the sister. Why? Are you the only person? You alone, you combine, or you can't even think there are men in this house. They might punch you here. Ali amak batong dia amak batong wata mai aku yina na baba unke jong kenya. Mofoga baba mofoga. Man not you baba. Don't try. It's because of Madam. It's because of Madam. I don't want her to feel bad that I brought the husband. I beat her mercilessly. I know you are a little chat, but I hope you know what is going on in this house.
What are you talking about?
I mean your auntie Joanne and brother Martin.
You also know.
Oh yes, of course I know. I've seen them several times with my eyes.
Okay, then tell my mom, because the time I told her, she never believed me.
So you also confront your mother before?
Yes.
The same way I also told her, but she didn't listen. She even ignored it. I cried. I don't even know. That day I was very ashamed.
So what can we do?
Don't worry. You leave that one for me. I will come out with a plan and then I will tell you. So you want us to, you agree that we should do something about it?
Yes. So that we can get them out of this house.
Okay, that's it. You are very good. Oh, no. Today I will sing for you. Come. Today I will sing for you too. I don't know you are a good person like this.
My chef and I. We love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye. There's no hi or goodbye. My chef and I. 'Cause under the same shelter, we've been running helter skelter. Even though we know you are the loser, better step up your game for another.
Shall we say the grace?
I can't dine with these hypocrites.
Cindy!
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 Tit for tat, nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat, nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you.
I'm sorry. Please, let's check the grace.
My chef and I. We love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye.
Cindy, what was the meaning of that?
But Mommy,
Don't talk back. Look, you must go and apologize to them right now.
I apologize to them when they apologize to you and stop their evil behavior. Then I apologize to them.
And why would they apologize to me? What have they done?
Mommy, open your eyes.
Cindy, what are you talking about?
If you want to know the truth, listen to me and Efogazo. Then you know the truth.
Cindy. Oh my goodness. Really?
Oh, in here I'm the master. I give the order. No bag of wire. You're not my mother. You're not my father. I have the power.
Are you okay?
For what?
Are you okay?
You have the right to remain silent. Or whatever you say here will be held against you at the court of Kosi.
How dare you barge into my room like that? Are you okay?
For what? I am not here to talk too much. Now, simple and short. You, your sister, and that boy. I don't call him Martin. I call him that boy. Who is he getting married to? I don't call him Martin at all. Who is he getting married to? Let me know so that I know where I position myself in your life.
Don't you know your position again?
How do I know if you don't tell me?
What's your position in this house?
My position is you are is my target that yes, I want to marry you. I feed you each and every blessed day, very heavy. I give you my monthly salary.
Did I force you?
No.
So, what's your problem? Eh? And for what is your... See, I've had enough of your nonsense in this house, okay?
Then why didn't you reject it? So let me know where I am. See?
I've had enough of your nonsense in this house, okay?
Very good.
The next time you barge into this room like that, I will get you arrested. Now walk out.
What are you trying? Okay.
Hey!
Now you have the right to walk me out.
Yes, walk out.
Okay. We shall see. We shall see.
Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. I do you. I do you. My shepherd eye. In here, I'm the master. I give the order. No bag of wire. You're not my mother. You're not my father. I have the power to say whatever. You little spoiled child.
Please, I'm apologizing on behalf of Cindy. Please forgive her.
See, I told you from day one that Cindy doesn't like me.
She's only a child. Cindy, what does she know? Please, don't pay attention to her. Please forgive her.
I think I have to leave this house. My stay here isn't pleasant at all.
Oh no, nothing.
I'm fed up.
Don't talk like that. You want to turn your back on me after giving you the money you requested for?
No. But because your daughter doesn't like me.
She's only a child. What does she know? Forgive her, please. I'm sorry. Please, forgive her. Let's go. Let's get inside. There are mosquitoes all over.
You go. I'll join you. I'll come.
Please don't stay here for long, okay? Mosquitoes are all over. I'm waiting for you. There's a lot of them. I'm apologizing on behalf of Cindy. You know how your niece can be bratty sometimes. Please forgive her.
Come on, it's fine. I know how a baby can be. I understand.
I've also apologized to Martin, but I need your help to appease him.
Okay, you don't worry. I'll talk to him. Okay, but I don't even know the reason why Cindy doesn't like him one bit.
She keeps telling me bad things about Martin. Can you imagine she even said she has seen the both of you kissing?
So, wait, where at all did she get all these ideas from?
I know she's trying to get Martin out of this house. And Ifo has a hand in it.
That chef, eh? What did he say?
Well, he was saying some nonsense. I mean, I just turned him off.
In here, I'm the master. I give the order. No bag of wine.
What are you doing in my room? Are you trying to scare me?
Scare you? Cindy, you're just a kid. And I have this simple advice for you. You know, our elders have a saying that Akada Obonwa na umbachichide. You are a kid and you must know your limits.
Darkness cannot rule over light. You have no place in my mother's house. Leave now.
Mother's house indeed. Maybe I should let you know this. Your mother sold the only property that our father left for us, traveled abroad to continue with her education. So you see, I have the right to every fair share that belongs to your mother.
Are you that evil-minded to be running around with your fiancé?
Cindy, be warned, because next time I won't be smiling with you.
Leave my room now before I call the police.
Police indeed. Maybe you should leave to your father's house.
I want to draw attention to something. It's risky.
What is it?
Your chef.
My chef?
He is a threat. A serious one.
How?
See, that guy is mentally sick. You know, Cindy once told me, but I thought she was just a kid. I mean, he goes on and off. Has your sister told you what he has been doing? He badges on her anytime she's naked.
Are you serious?
Yes. You can ask your sister. See, that guy is psycho.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night.
Cindy,
Yes.
I wanted to clean up your room, but you had locked the door and taken the key away.
Henceforth, I'm not going to leave my door open. I don't trust people in this house.
Including me.
Yes.
Me? Never. I'm as solid as gold.
I bought you with a common ring. Never mind. Let's go inside so that you take money to buy me some pizza.
Tit for tat, nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. I do you. My chef and I. Oh, in here I'm the master. I give the order. No bagger wire. You're not my mother. You're not my father. I have the power to say whatever. You a little spoiled child. You don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer. You're a little spoiled child. You don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer.
Mantebia, did you inspect the food your so-called chef prepared?
No, but I'm guessing he did a good job.
Is it difficult for you to prepare food for your own family? Go down there and see what he served me to eat.
What did he do?
Henceforth, I am not eating anything prepared by that lunatic in this house again.
Please, we need to exercise patience over some of these things. This guy, Efo, has been my chef for years now, and he's good at what he does.
Defense. That is all I get. You always jump into his defense. I wonder what he has given you to eat.
Please, let me go and see what he made for you, okay?
You better do.
I'm going to see what he's made.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night.
Madam,
What did you serve my husband?
the food on the dining table.
You mean the food I just saw on the table is what you served him with?
Yes, madam. And he said he won't eat.
No, stop it. Efo, don't do this. Please, I'm sorry. No, it's okay. Please, it's fine. It's fine, okay?
No. Why you know how to grind common pepper? Do you know how to grind common pepper? When you come, they prepare food for you. When you marry, you will not take the woman to your house. You can't date. This is what we call Salome. No bonola. You are even lucky. I should have added more pepper. When you run, you go stomach run in 2 days. You see, yes, you give respect to chef.
Respect your elder, so you may live longer. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. I do you. My chef and I. My chef and I. My chef and I.
Mommy, good afternoon.
Afternoon, love.
Miss past 12, we haven't gone to the beach.
We are not going to any beach. You must go and apologize to them.
But Mom!
No. You have to apologize to them first. Otherwise, you are not going to any beach.
Better step up your game for another day. Today I am the winner and you are the loser. Better step up your game for another battle. Cause if you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. I do you.
Efo,
Madam.
you've been working for me for some time now. And all this while, have you ever seen me bring a man into this house or introduce any man to you for that matter as a boyfriend or whatever?
No, madam.
So, now that I have found somebody who thinks highly of me, who respects me and loves me, you want him to live my life or what? I don't even know how to go about it. How do you treat him? How do you disrespect him like that? He complains of the food you serve him and all of that. Why are you people disrespecting him? What is wrong with you?
Madam, I don't know where to start from and I don't know where to end it. When I prepare food for Master Martin, he complains every day. And I don't say anything. I'm just saying that he don't like me.
Look, Efo. I will not take this from you. Honestly, don't get me angry.
Yes, madam.
I have been so nice to you. Why do you disrespect my man? Look, Martin will not complain for nothing. This is not crying matter. Stop that your crocodile tears.
Yeah, madam, I'm sorry.
He will never complain for nothing. Please.
I'm sorry.
If he complains again, I'll have no option than to terminate our contract.
Madam, I'm sorry. Please calm down. Madam, from the way your temper rises, please, can I give you some cold water to cool you?
Look, don't annoy me.
I'm sorry.
What at all is going on in this house?
I'm sorry. Madam, forgive me whatever happened. Madam, I threatened that if I disrespect that ragamuffin rascal Bafuvima become a nyami and a local, she will fire me.
Epo, that's why they talk you say. You know everything we for the sale. Sometimes if you shut up small, you know say if you bring me for this house. Wait, if them fire you are, you will affect me. Wait, if you affect me too, where I go?
Kosi, I cannot see evil things, evil acts like this, and then I'll keep mute. How? It's not done. I have to voice out. I will continue to stop them till they stop their evil acts.
So you never go give up?
What are you saying? How should I give up? How? Why they've not stopped doing their evil act? Why should I stop? I will continue it till one day the proof will come, the truth will come. Madam will see that what I'm saying is true. If they stop, I will stop.
But if be careful, you go do one day and go lose my job.
Let me tell you, in life, Never be scared of say, because God has given us opportunity. God has given each and every one opportunity in this life. But how to maintain the truth, to maintain that opportunity is what is needed. How? I will continue to stop them till they stop. That if they stop, I will stop. They don't stop, I won't stop. That is why the account people say, they use this word, say, a baby there was saying, na baby was ye.
Then second, I will go get a job for any place.
Don't be scared. That is why I tell you, baby say, no baby ye, till they stop doing this evil act. If they don't stop, I will not stop.
You are trying to reach anything, Efo. So sometimes for the news, let you keep quiet small. I dey beg you. Even though I listen to you, but for me small, not everything you go talk.
I will make sure I monitor this thing to the end, and the truth will come out, and they will move from this place.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye. There's no hi or goodbye. My chef and I, 'cause under the same shelter, we've been running helter skelter. If I'm the winner, you are the loser. Better step up your game for another day. Today I am the winner, and you are the loser. Better step up your game for another battle. 'Cause if you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat, nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat, nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you.
Madam Juan, please come here.
Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. I do you. My chef and I.
What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this?
What is the meaning of what? What have I done? Have I stolen your money?
More than that. What you are doing is more than that. What you are doing to me, you've stolen my heart from me and you've given to Mr. Odi.
Look, Efo, I am sick and tired of your nonsense in this house, okay? Why, have you built me any mansion? Or bought me any car? Eh?
Hey, I've given you my 2 months salary and it will continue.
So? Did I force you?
No.
Good. If you ever open your mouth to tell my sister about Martin in this house, you will live to regret it.
I bought you mountain. You buy me car, my side, all this thing. You see the love I have for you.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye. There's no
Efo, what be the matter? Your wife died. Your children died for village. Why they fire you? What be the problem?
Madam Juan.
You say who?
Madam Juan.
Madam Juan. Petro Bella ciao. Melo. Silly ciao. Madam Juano. With Yakwani Sika. Bella ciao.
Martin, we need to act fast. I have every information that the money is hitting our account this week. And you need to have her endorse that check so we flee out of this country.
I have everything under control. You don't have to worry.
That little brat called Cindy. She's just too smart for my liking. I don't really like this girl. See, you must be very careful. You're looking at me like that.
Joan, why do you want to ruin your innocent, kind sister?
You have no idea. My sister took everything our parents left behind. And I won't let her rest until I see her at point zero.
The last time I checked, you have a fair share of the things your parents left behind. But you chose to live a reckless life in France and came back with nothing.
Nothing. Are you with me or you're with her?
I'm with you, but I need to clear my mind.
Better.
You don't know your culture, respect your elder, so you may live longer. You a little sport child.
I get some connection give you.
Woman.
The woman.
I fine.
It be fine, but just say it be Apache. You go manage him.
What are you doing here?
Madam, you see the gas this morning is worrying me, so I come to fix it now. It's all right. Everything is okay.
Okay. Have the furniture people come in?
Yes, there is one guy who came to take the measurement. They said if we are in home, they will bring it.
Okay. They have to come and fix it today.
Yes.
Make sure they fix it today.
Okay.
All right. I'm upstairs. When they come, call me.
Okay, madam. Is fine?
It's fine, girl. But the leg no way they worry I'm there.
Oh no, I know like you the other time go to connection, go to wrong connection. Don't you know say if somebody have money, go for that party good. I no get money now, I'll take a party go away. I go take a party go here, how I get money.
But you know be your taste, you know be to that
Go, no, you say go your matter, I know they like anything.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye. There's no hi or goodbye. My chef and I. Cause under the same shelter, we've been running helter skelter. If I'm the winner, you are the loser. Better step up your game for another day. Today I am the winner. And you are the loser. Better step up your game for another battle. Cause if you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. I do you. My chef and I. In here I'm the master, I give the order. No bagawaya, you're not my mother, you're not my father. I have the power to say whatever. You a little spoiled child, you don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer. You a little spoiled child, you don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. My chef and I, we love to fight day and night.
F-O. Here, take it. This is your 2 months salary you gave me, and I've added extra 500 cedis to it.
You think I won't take it? I'll take it, Papa.
Wonderful. No, you will. Looks to you. Take it.
Yes. I need money.
I know. That's why I added 500 cedis to it. It's all yours.
Are you real?
Come on, I am. Helpful. So you find time and come into my room, okay?
Alright.
Okay? Helpful.
Respect your elder, so you may live longer. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. I do you.
What's it?
Yes.
Come.
I come. Efo.
Jose, you see this thing here now?
Yeah.
Everything that I was saying now, then you'll be saying, ayo. So, yes, all my niggas in the black.
Ayo.
Afa Brandy Baye Maga Bapino go.
Ayo.
Bobo Mali Baye Maga Kita Touch Bono go. Ayo. Bapi Vatan Lebu Ayo. Bobo Mali Baye Maga Bapino go. Ah, you know what is happening now?
Why? You chop Lotto?
Lotto for where?
What did they say?
Juan, he bring my 2 months salary. He add another 500 Ghana for interest.
500 Ghana?
Yes.
Oh, for that be good news.
Very good news. Very good news, pa.
But for you know say go give my share.
What you do for me?
You know me I give you the moral say go take the money from the woman in there.
No. If that is why you want to dance or do the rap with me, then stop.
Forgive me.
No. Is this small thing? When I gave her the money 2 months where you receive your own, did you give me some?
For the pay you give me some.
No, did you give me some?
Them who dance.
I know, and if that is the reason why you want to dance with me there, then stop, because I won't give you.
So you know give me that.
I won't give you. You know man's good when people give him idea to do the bank when I collapse. Did he get something? Did the person get something? I no go give you. So forget. If that is the reason why you won't worship God again, you can go.
Nobody go vex. Tit for tat. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex.
Are you aware the money has hit your dollar account?
Yes.
So what are you waiting for?
I'm still practicing her signature.
You're taking too long, Martin. Time isn't on our side.
Joan, it is not that easy. Banks have a lot of security measures when it comes to signature forgeries. You have to be careful.
Martin, I've told you I've already finished the deal with the bank manager and they won't call her when the check is presented.
That is risky. No bank will make such a mistake. Not to call the account holder for such an amount. We are talking about $1 million here. The best way is to divert her calls to a different receiver.
I think you're right. So when is this going to be done? Because we've got no time.
It won't be long. Exercise patience. I'll get it done.
Let's have a break.
Cindy.
Grandpa, there's a problem.
What is it?
Uncle Martin and Auntie Juan, they are trying to steal Mommy's money.
Me, I don't have anything to say. Why can't you report it to your mom?
She has warned me not to tell her about anything.
The same way she threatened me that if I don't stop interfering to your aunt their issues, she will fire me. And me too, job like this is very difficult to get in now. So I don't want to lose my job. So I don't have anything to say. So please, go and tell her. I don't want to lose my job.
Efo, have you forgotten?
About what?
You promised me that you will help me expose them and to stop their evil behaviors. And you protect my mother. Have you forgotten?
Yes, I said that, alright. But even Jesus Christ that came to die, they crucified him. Woman be connive and kill him. He couldn't survive with what he's doing. In that the word belonged to him. And what about me, woman be nearby woman be? I don't want to lose my job. Let them carry their own cross. I don't have anything to say. Please. No, I know I've offended you. I betray you. The trust you gave me that I could fight to the end. The battle has ended here. Please.
Cindy, why have you brought me from the house?
I need to talk to you.
Okay, but you look troubled.
A lot.
What is the problem?
My mother's life is in danger. And I tried to tell her, she doesn't listen to me.
Your mother's life is in danger?
Yes.
How? I don't get you.
My auntie and Mr. Martin, they engage in immoral acts in the house.
Have you told your mother?
And I tried to tell her, she still doesn't want to listen to me.
So what do you want me to do now?
You are elderly enough, so she listens to you mostly. So can you tell her?
Okay, Cindy, you know what? I'll think about it. And I'll see what I can do. Okay? But hey, cheer up. Cheer up. Your mother will be fine. Nothing will happen to her, okay? Alright, let's go back home and continue our studies, okay?
What is it about talk? I hope you are not coming to ask of palm wine again.
No, Efo, not at all. Efo, these days, Cindy isn't happy at all. Cindy isn't happy at all, and her performance in class has become very poor. You know, and whenever I come home to teach her too, it's like she's not improving. You know, she looks troubled. So I asked her, and she made a very damning revelation, which I want to discuss with you.
What did you say?
Cindy said her mother's life is in danger. And also, the auntie is engaging herself in immoral acts with the mother's fiancé. This is kind of serious that I don't understand it.
Cindy, so this small girl can go out with issues like this? Well, because of the palm wine issue, you, I don't want to eat, but no problem. You are a woman being, you reason a lot. Yes, what she said is true. Me, myself, I witnessed it with my eyes. I saw them in that act.
You mean you saw the auntie?
Yes, I saw them with my own eyes. I saw them. But how for do?
Have you told Madam Auntie about it?
I confronted her. But could you believe that a dutiful woman told me that they are doing Bible studies? Am I a small boy? Am I a kid? No. How can't I identify that this thing they are in this fornication? I'm a grown up. I know what it is. But I confronted her. She said they are doing Bible classes, Bible studies. I said, well, no problem. If that is the case, me, I don't have a problem. But once you are close to her and she likes you a lot, he respects you too, and you can try to find a way and confront her.
If you know something, I think I need to talk to her and draw her attention to you and Cindy. You know, because this is a very serious situation that needs to be addressed as a matter of urgency. Okay, serious.
If by any chance she asks you, don't say you know, I know anything about it. Can I sure you know?
Oh, of course. Okay. I won't do that.
All right, thank you very much.
We've been running helter skelter. If I'm the winner, you are the loser. Better step up, you'll get for another day.
Cindy, you are really doing very well. Papa, you really prove that you love your mother. Never give chance, as you are doing, continue it like that. Never give chance for those two people to come and destroy your mom's life. Okay?
Okay. I tried to tell her many times. She still doesn't listen to me.
Don't worry. Keep on trying. One day, she will understand what you are saying. She will see the truth.
Because of that, she has even cancelled my weekend food training and other things.
Wow.
Because I walked out of my uncle and auntie at the dining table.
Wow. Don't worry. One day, their cups will be full up. And that is where they will see that, yes, your mom will see that you even want her life better. Because
I pray so. I'm praying so.
that is good. That is good. I'm also praying spiritually and physically for you. Okay?
So how long will you be gone for?
Let's say a week or 4 days.
Yeah, we miss you.
Good afternoon.
Hi, darling. How are you?
I'm fine.
Did you rest well?
Yeah.
Why don't you go and sit by your auntie?
No, I feel comfortable here.
Cindy, I'm going on a business trip to spend some few days. Okay? Auntie will take very good care of you. Ask her for anything you want. Okay?
I guess you want to find me dead in this house. Auntie Joanne is a great threat to you and me. Mommy, open your eyes.
Cindy, look, I won't take this from you. Enough of all this. You cry, why?
Auntie Joanne, have you forgotten what you told me? Have you forgotten? You told me Mommy stole what belongs to you. Don't be such a hypocrite. Tell her what you told me.
If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat, nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. I do you. My chef and I.
No, let's just brush it off, okay? She's just a kid. Let's just brush it off.
Am I living in the dark? Could there be some truth in what my daughter and Ifo are saying? But my sister can't do this. And Martin, I trust him so much. Goodness, what do I do?
My chef and I, my chef and I.
Madam Antibia, Cindy's performances of late aren't the best at all. And I engaged her in a discussion and I realized she's troubled. I think you should know.
Sir David, honestly, I'd wanted to talk to you about this for some time now. Cindy is becoming too wayward for my liking, and she talks too much.
If you listen to her very carefully, you realize that there's some truth in some of her talks.
You think so?
Yes. I suggest you pay some attention to her. You know, she's too young to craft issues of this nature. There's some truth somewhere.
Wow. And I haven't paid attention to it. Oh my God. Sir David, thank you so much. I think you are right. I need to be very careful about this. Thank you.
Nobody go vex. Tit for tat, nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. Tit for tat, nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go vex.
Ifo, what have you been trying to tell me about my sister and Martin?
Oh, as I studied them, I realized it was Bible studies they have been doing.
Are you sure?
Yes, madam.
But Ifo, the last time you told me you've seen them in a very awkward manner. I mean, why are you telling me a different story now?
Yeah, then I didn't study them well. But as I studied them now, I realized it was Bible studies they were doing. Even the last time that I saw them together, they were the quotation they were using is Matthew 7:7. But I did not stand there. I walked away and they were discussing about it. Yes, I am very sure they are very good Christians.
But I thought you had something to tell me because, I mean, you already mentioned it and now I want to know the truth and you are saying otherwise.
Yes, it was because I didn't take my time to study them well. So as I have my time to study them well, I realized it was Bible studies.
So they are not into any shady relationship?
Yes. It's Matthew 7:7.
Efo.
Yes, madam. They are very good Christians.
Yes. Okay. Let me go to the kitchen.
My chef and I.
Kosi, would you believe that madam tried to trick me about what I know about Martin and Duan?
How?
Me that I buy a kakao and money at Kobe at market every day, and you want to trick my mind like I am kakao or more money.
So what you talking about?
Kosi, I tell her say I don't know anything about it because then that I saw the thing about them, I couldn't study it well. So now I study it and I realize that it's the Bible studies they are doing.
For you, they trust you.
Kosi.
See, you be too smart. You be too smart for my liking. That's the only thing I like about you. You are too smart.
Me that I supposed to be a science teacher or have a degree in science. Because of something, I end up being chef. You want to treat me like so I am kaku or more money.
For the so, if they keep quiet, if they venture them issue.
No. I say now make it a thing. I don't know anything about it. Yes. Now, she forced me. I say I don't know anything about it.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't
Cindy, your mom confronted me. She asked me about whether I knew something about your auntie and then the fiancé, Martin.
That's good. That's very good. Did you tell her everything?
No. Why should I? Don't you know my job is at stake? I don't have to.
Oh, Elfo. That was a perfect time to spill the beans.
No. You see, I'm a mature person. I have to behave maturely. So if I say that my job is at stake.
Now you spoiled everything.
Do me, I do you. Nobody go back. I do you. My chef and I.
No.
In here I'm the master. I give the order. No bagger wire. You're not my mother. You're not my father.
So how long have you known my sister?
Since I came into this house. Why do you ask?
Is there something between the both of you?
What are you insinuating? Something like?
Like a relationship?
Yes.
There's a relationship between the two of you?
Yes.
Under the same shelter, we've been running helter skelter. If I'm the winner, you are the loser. Better step up your game for another day. Today I am the winner, and you are the loser. Better step up your game for another battle. Cause if you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat, nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat, nobody go back.
Yes, come in.
Can I sit?
Yeah, sure.
John.
Yeah.
You are my younger sister.
Yeah.
And we must stand for each other. What's going on between you and Martin?
How do you mean?
I mean, is there something between you and Martin that I should know of?
Wait, sis, I don't get your question. And which Martin are we talking about here?
Martin, my boyfriend, of course.
What about him?
Okay, that's fine. Never mind.
It's nothing, just a mere platonic friendship between my sister's fiancé and me.
Joan, I'm confused.
Confused about what?
Efo and Cindy think the two of you have something going on.
No, wait, I hope you're not suggesting that I have something doing with your boyfriend.
No, you...
No, sis. Look, if that's what you're thinking, I'm spending no time here in this house. I'm just packing out of this house. What is the meaning of that?
Joan, I'm sorry. Just that... I don't know what to do.
How can you even think like that? That I have something doing with your boyfriend? Oh, please.
It's okay. I'm sorry. Please. I don't mean to make you feel like this. I'm sorry.
Don't ever say that again. Don't ever even think that way again.
No, it's fine. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. I just don't know what to believe anymore.
Me? Having something to do with your boyfriend? Really?
So, I'm sorry.
Yes, you can go.
I'm sorry, why?
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye, there's no hi or goodbye. My chef and I, 'cause under the same shelter, we've been running helter-skelter.
Relationship? What kind of relationship was Martin talking about? And what kind of relationship did he think I was asking about? Did he even understand what I asked him at all? Would he even admit it to me if they are truly in a relationship? I will approach him again. Oh yes, I will approach him again.
I do you, my chef and I. In here I'm the master, I give the order, no bagger wire. You're not my mother, you're not my father. I have the power to say whatever. You a little spoiled child, you don't know your culture.
I've been sitting here for a while now. Would you talk, please? I was having a nap when he called me out.
Martin, it's urgent. My sister questioned me this morning about our relationship.
And what did you tell her?
I denied it, of course.
Perfect. Just relax. I'll give you the next course of action.
Fine.
Can I go now?
Yeah.
Have I wronged her?
I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with her. But I'll talk to her. Are you okay?
I'm just wondering about her behavior.
Well, I don't understand why she got up as soon as you entered. But I'll talk to her. Joanne, what you did out there, what was that about? Why did you show that kind of disrespectfulness?
Sis, until I leave this house, I will never, or he should never near me. I've had enough of the accusations.
Joanne, this is not fair. Okay, how do you show that kind of attitude towards him? Somebody who is supposed to be my husband, my future husband.
Like I said, he should never near me or ever cross my path.
I am going to give you the money you requested for. First thing tomorrow morning, I'll give you a check.
That's up to you. If you give me, fine.
My chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye. There's no high or
Hi, Cindy.
goodbye. My chef and I, 'cause under the same shelter, we've been running helter skelter. If I'm the winner, you are the loser. Better step up your game for another day.
Cindy, come to daddy.
Has my mother offended you?
No, why do you ask?
Then why are you offending her?
Cindy, I'll not do anything to offend your mother, okay?
You are! You are! You are killing my mother softly, Uncle Martin. But remember this, the evil that men do lives after them.
In here I'm the master, I give the order. No bag of wire, you're not my mother, you're not my father. I have the power to say whatever. You a little spoiled child, you don't know your culture. Respect your elder.
Madam Joanne,
Yes, sir.
be very, very careful. This little rat have the eye almost on everybody in this house like a United States satellite. You know already.
I know.
Oh, then you are monitoring yourselves. Okay. Then I have to go now. So be careful. Eh?
Okay, Effie, thank you.
And I, my chef and I, we love to fight day and night. We don't see eye to eye. There's no high or goodbye. My chef and I, 'cause I know this
Sweetheart. Hello, can I join you inside? Hello, I wish I join you inside.
Nobody go back. Tit for tat, nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat, nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. I do you. My chef and I. In here I'm the master, I give the order. No bag of wire, you're not my mother, you're not my father. I have the power to say whatever. You a little spoiled child, you don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you live longer. You a little spoiled child, you don't know your culture. Respect your elder, so you may live longer. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat, nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. Tit for tat, nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back. If you do me, I do you. Nobody go back.
Can I join you?
My chef and I.
Is your auntie inside?
Efogazo.
Yes.
So you allowed yourself to be brought into this evil act?
I was just coming to ask you.
It's okay, don't say a word. But remember this, let this be in your head. If they are going down, you go down with them.
What? I just want to ask her whether she will eat kenke or she will eat banku or kokonte or fufu. Is that's all?
We don't see eye to eye. There's no hi or goodbye. My chef and I, 'cause under the same shelter.